Hola a todos, buenos días, bienvenidos a la Feria de Cantón en línea. Mi nombre es Isabela. Mucho gusto mezclado de saludarles por acá en nuestra fábrica para presentar nuestros productos, nuestras marcas. Y ahora vamos a entrar en parte 2. Vamos a presentar y explicar nuestros productos, nuestros equipos, lo que vendemos más. A ver, si usted quiere empezar su negocio de taller de servicio de auto, ¿cómo se seleccionan los equipos? A ver, y viene nuestro cliente. Hola.
Hola Isabela.
Hola Sergio. Bienvenido. Encantado de verle otra vez.
Encantado Isabela, muchas gracias por invitarme.
Sí, ahora vamos a ver nuestro producto, lo que vendemos más.
Este es el que más vendéis.
La serie U, serie U. Sí, esta máquina muy profesional, tiene certificación de Alemania.
Certificación de Alemania.
Sí, ¿usted conoce la certificación de Alemania?
Sí, conozco, hay una que es la WPK, ¿puede ser?
Sí, sí. Esta máquina tiene la certificación muy buena. A ver, esta máquina se puede comprar completo, también se puede comprar
Por
aparte.
separado.
Sí, por
Vale.
separado.
Vale.
¿Qué tiene este?
¿Qué se puede comprar? ¿Cuál es lo mínimo que se puede comprar? ¿Este viene con la máquina? Este no.
Este se puede opcionar.
Opcional. ¿Y este también, el que hemos visto antes? ¿Este? También.
También
Ok,
opcional.
este es opcional. O
Sí.
sea, la máquina simple, la más simple, o sea, el modelo más simple vendría con esto y esta parte de la máquina.
Sí,
Vale.
este parte
De la máquina.
Sí.
Vale.
Primero, esta máquina trabajar con aplazo de atrás y adelante.
Ah, vale, como el otro, ¿no?
Sí,
vale, como el
otro,
otro. Ah,
sí.
muy bien.
A
Muy
ver.
bien, sí.
Automático.
Muy bien, muy bien. Este me gusta mucho,
Sí.
esta función, ¿vale?
Sí, también aquí al lado tiene
Sí.
automática palanca.
La palanca, sí,
Sí.
que se mete por dentro, vale, de acuerdo.
Y tiene este plástico.
Vale,
para
sí.
proteger.
Vale, sí, este es para proteger la llanta de aquí, ¿no? Para que no raye, para las llantas
Para que
de bajo
no
perfil
dañar.
y que sean caras, vale,
Sí,
que no
sí.
se rayen.
A ver cómo
Vale.
se opera.
Vale, ahora va a mirar, va a hacerlo él, vale.
Este abrazo ayudante.
Vale.
A ver cómo funciona.
Ok, vale, le mete la uña. Y ahora él solo,
Sí,
sí, con el plato giratorio. Muy bien.
sí.
Vale, y ahora para sacarla.
Sí.
Vale. Muy bien. Para sacarla.
Sí.
Vale, y luego esto es ok, con el giratorio, muy bien. Y desde aquí ya sale sola, perfecto,
Sí.
muy bien.
Para
Vale.
trabajar más rápido, muy eficiencia, para ahorrar el tiempo.
Vale, y si tuviera algún problema con la máquina, ¿cómo se abre? Si tuviera que, para repararla, ¿se puede abrir esto?
Sí, claro. 维修的时候可以打开是吗？ Sí, se puede ver.
Esto, vale, se quita de ahí, vale. Ok. Este se quita de ahí, vale.
Sí.
Y este de aquí también se quita. Muy bien. Vale, sí, este es el motor de correa. Perfecto.
Sí.
Vale, muy bien. Muy bien.
Sí. Y también tiene plato giratorio grande.
Tiene plato giratorio
Sí,
grande.
también
Vale.
sirve para la llanta 28 pulgadas.
De 28 pulgadas, vale,
Sí,
o sea,
sí.
es grande, vale, vale.
Sí, vamos a ver después de mover esta llanta.
Ajá, vale, ok.
离开这个看一下。Sí.
Vale, ahora a ver cómo la monta.
Ahora vamos a sacar la llanta del plato.
Ah, vale, la mete por debajo. Ah, para despegarla.
Sí,
Ahí la he despegado. Vale, este también tiene 3 puntos de apoyo, ¿no?
sí.
Vale.
1, 2, 3.
Tiene 3 puntos de apoyo.
Sí.
Tiene 1, 2, 3. Ah, y ahora le gira.
Sí.
Ah, y ahora va con este. Y este va solo ya. Vale, muy bien. Vale, ya
Va
ha
muy
entrado.
rápido.
Va muy rápido, sí, sí, sí,
Sí.
sí, sí, sí. Vale, perfecto. Vale.
y después 我们拿开这个看一下那个工作盘，vamos a sacar ese llanta para ver plato.
Ah, bueno, se ha caído ese, no pasa nada. Vale, este es el plato giratorio. Vale, que este es aquí donde se enganchan las uñas.
Sí,
Vale, muy bien.
sí. Este también es un
Muy bien.
plato grande. Sí.
Sí, es
Y
plato
con
grande.
ese pedal se puede trabajar con ese pedal automático.
Vale, de acuerdo.
Sí.
También tiene la palanca esta de para separar la llanta de la cubierta, ¿no?
Sí, sí.
Vale.
Es
Esta,
esta.
esta llanta, ¿qué fuerza tiene?
Que fuerza tiene fuerza tiene 2.500
kilogramos.
Sí.
Vale. 2.500 kilogramos.
Sí.
Muy bien.
Sí,
Vale, vale. Así con los rodillos esos que ayudan mucho. Eso
Sí.
está muy bien.
Ujú.
Vale. Ah, vale, ahí sí ya la separa. Ok, ok, muchas gracias. Vale,
Sí.
muchas gracias.
¿Está contento con esta máquina?
Sí, está muy bien, está muy
Sí.
bien. Y de este
Vendemos mucho. Este es la estrella de nuestra desmontadora.
Ah, vale,
Sí,
vale,
sí,
vale, vale.
vendemos muchos.
Vale, o sea, esta ya está muy probada, ¿no? Hay muchos clientes que han comprado esta.
Sí, sí, porque es muy profesional y funciona muy rápido
Vale.
y se puede elegir comprar separado o comprar completo.
Vale, o sea, puedo comprar lo que es el cuerpo de la máquina y luego comprar luego comprar este de aquí, vale, sí.
Sí,
Y este también creo que será opcional.
Sí.
Vale, perfecto, muy bien.
Muy
Muy bien.
bien. Sí, y con este, nuestro cliente no solamente compra este, también
Sí.
compra otro modelo mucho, este.
Sí, ese es de balanceadora, ¿no?
Sí.
Vale, vamos a ver la balanceadora. Un segundo que me ponga por aquí. Vale. Vale, este es balanceadora.
Sí, balanceadora.
Vale, este también tiene pantalla LCD, ¿no?
Sí.
Vale,
Este
ok,
es
ok.
pantalla grande. Sí.
Vale. ¿Y qué-
Vamos a ver nuestro video primero.
Ajá, vale, ok, muy bien, muchas gracias.
Sí. Serio, vamos a ver nuestra otra estrella de modelo de este serie U. Este
Vale.
es un balanceador.
La balanceadora, vale.
Sí.
La balanceadora que veo que tiene pantalla, ¿no?
Sí, tiene pantalla grande como computadora y la apariencia muy estable. Eso.
Vale, o sea, sí que esto es de metal fuerte, vale, y esto está para
Sí.
Pone aquí las cosas.
Sí,
Vale, ¿de
se
acuerdo?
puede poner muchas cosas aquí para trabajar muy fácil, muy conveniente.
Vale, de acuerdo. Una pregunta, este ordenador también se puede...
Este pantalla se puede ver muchos detalles.
Vale,
Sí,
sí.
se puede ver, se puede ver qué idioma tiene 25 idiomas para
Sí,
trabajar.
como
Sí.
como la otra, ¿no? Con 25 idiomas, como la otra balanceadora con la pantalla también.
Sí,
Vale,
sí,
muy bien.
tiene idiomas en inglés, en español,
Vale.
en chino, en coreano, en japonés,
Muchos
muchos idiomas.
idiomas.
Sí, sí, para trabajar muy fácil, muy rápido, muy inteligente. Sí, y
Vale.
tiene
Nueve
nueve modos.
9 modos de análisis. Ah, vale, vale, vale. Son
Sí.
estos los modos de análisis.
Sí, sí.
Vale, vale, vale.
Sí, también tenemos
Vale.
para motor, para coche.
Para coche y para motocicleta, ¿no?
Sí.
Para moto. Ah, ok, muy
Sí,
bien,
sí,
muy bien.
trabajar muy inteligente.
Vale.
Y tiene un modo que no se vuelve, aquí no se vuelve, pero también controlado por se puede ver otro modo.
Modelos.
Sí,
Otros modos.
modos, sí.
Modos de análisis, ¿no?
Sí.
De otros. Oh, ok, vale.
我们看一下那个隐藏的模式。vamos a poner, vamos a ver.
Vale, ahora está, ese es el sensor, ¿no? El sensor, vale, que les mira aquí, vale, y les marca, vale, tiene 3 sensores, ha marcado 2, ¿no? Aquí, vale, y ahora le mira. ¿Este tiene láser?
Tiene láser, sí. Este tiene 9 modos y con ese sensor puede buscar, encontrar el mejor modo para hacer
Vale.
la rueda y luego tener un modo especial con la luz de láser.
Vale, vale,
sí.
aquí lo vemos, la luz, donde marca, vale, sí que marcaba como la otra vez, vale,
Sí,
vale,
sí.
sí, ahí tiene, de
Sí.
acuerdo, sí que aquí habría que poner, ahora está analizando, vale, está analizando este está analizando el interior, ¿no? Este es este.
Sí,
Es
sí.
este.
Sí, se puede
Ok.
encontrar la posición para lo que necesita
Vale,
poner pesos.
vale, sí, los pesos estos son los pesos, ¿no? Los pesos que vienen aquí,
Sí.
estos son 20 gramos,
Sí, a ver, dale.
20 gramos, vale,
20 gramos.
vale. O sea, y esto, vale, sí, como el
También
otro.
vendemos este.
Ah, ¿también vendéis las pesas estas también las vendéis?
Sí, para vender.
Muy bien,
Ese,
vale,
ese es muy fácil.
vale, sí,
Y la calidad muy buena.
vale, o sea, esto sí, simplemente se corta aquí y se pega.
Sí.
Vale, muy bien, viene con la luz, vale, de acuerdo. Viene con esta luz. 20 gramos,
Sí.
ah, ok. Y pone ahí 20. Muy bien. Vale, ahora vamos a ver. Ahora vemos si está equilibrada, ¿no? Ahora esto es para controlar.
Ajá.
A ver. Ah, vale, y ahora 0, eso es que está bien, ¿no? Que ya está bien la rueda.
Sí, sí, ya, a ver, precisión muy buena, muy alta. Sí. Y además tenemos un modelo 隐藏的功能. Vamos a ver video. Okay.
Pero
ya.
una cosa te iba a decir. Esta pistola.
eso,
Sí, es lo que te estaba preguntando antes, que esto es una pistola de aire comprimido, ¿verdad?
a ver cómo se opera.
Vale,
Así.
vale.
Ah, para aquí.
Para aquí, ah, vale, sí, ¿esto cómo es? Ah, ok, vale, es para ajustarla.
Para ajustar la llanta.
Ah, vale, así ya queda ajustada.
Sí,
Ah, vale, 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 así la
Sí.
rueda hace el tope ahí.
sí. Hace más
Vale,
fácil.
muy
no,
bien.
No necesita energía de personal.
Vale, sí, o sea, esto es simplemente para ajustar, haces así con la
Sí.
pistola y ya está.
Sí, más fácil, más
Muy
rápido, muy conveniente.
Muy bien, me gusta mucho esta máquina, me gusta mucho.
Sí,
Vale.
y si ustedes interesan, ahora es el tiempo muy bueno porque tenemos promoción especial solamente para la feria de Cantón. Si ustedes compran este y
Sí.
este, nosotros regalamos un inflador.
El cañón de aire,
el
¿no?
cañón
Este
de aire.
que es tan rápido.
Ese es muy rápido.
Vale.
Y se puede mover a donde lo que quiere, a ver
Vale, sí.
cómo funciona.
Vale, vale. Pero no dispares, ¿eh? No, no dispares, ¿eh?
Sí,
Vale.
ok.
Sí, yo sé, vale, esto tiene dos gatillos, ¿no? Vale, sí. De acuerdo, sí, ya hemos hablado de
Sí.
ellos antes.
Eh,
Vale. O sea, comprando este y este gratis, ¿no?
Sí,
Vale. Muy bien.
generalmente este tiene que comprar y ahora es un gran promoción
Una gran promoción.
para los clientes
Vale.
padecer a la feria de Cantón.
Vale, me gusta mucho porque va con el carro y lo puedes mover. Este está
Sí,
muy conveniente.
Sí, muy bueno.
Vale.
Ahora vamos a entrar en parte de lotería. Video.
I used to be so beautiful, now look at me. My actions are unbeautiful, it's clear to see.
Hola a todos, buenos días. Mi nombre es Isabela. Bienvenido a la Feria de Cantón. Mucho gusto, mezclado de saludarles por aquí de otra vez. Bienvenido a conocer nuestro producto estrella de vender. Este modelo se U6698. Nosotros vendemos mucho.
Vale.
En serio, ¿cómo le parece esta máquina?
Vale, me gustaría preguntarte, este tiene dos brazos, ¿no? De asistentes que te ayudan.
Sí, primero esta máquina se trabaja con brazo de izquierda hasta derecha
vale, vale, sí.
y para ahora el espacio de...
Sí, de atrás adelante.
Sí,
Vale,
sí.
vale, muy bien.
Sí, y además tiene dos
Brazos.
brazos de,
Sí.
en izquierda y derecha, tiene dos.
Tiene estos dos brazos son asistentes, ¿no?
Sí,
que
son
asisten
los
a este.
asistentes. Sí.
Vale.
Ese es la ventaja de esta máquina. A ver cómo se funciona.
Vale, aquí viene nuestro técnico. Vale, ahí vemos que se... Vale. Ah, vale, de ahí se regula. Vale, ahí la que
Con
la
la
fija.
cabeza de aplazo.
Vale. Sí, por aquí le baja. Sí.
Un mundo de aplazo.
Sí, este
dos
tiene
puntos.
con la barra, mete la palanca.
Sí,
Ah, vale. Y ahora
Sí.
le da la vuelta.
sí,
Ahora
se
hace
puede
así.
controlar con el botón
Sí, con el
con la
botón,
con-
sí, de arriba abajo. Sí, eso lo he visto.
de arriba y abajo.
Vale, ¿se le ayuda?
Sí, sí,
Vale, bien, bueno.
sí. Es bueno
Bien.
para la llanta bajo perfil.
De bajo perfil, ok.
Sí.
Vale,
Especialmente sirve para los países que tienen muchos autos, que tienen ese llanta bajo perfil.
de bajo perfil, sí, sí, lo sé.
Sí.
Vale, entonces aquí este plato también es escalable, ¿no? Tiene escala aquí.
Sí.
Tiene hasta 28, ¿no? ¿Eso está 28?
Sí, también tiene un plato giratoria por cada 28.
Vale, muy
Sí.
bien.
A ver,
Vale, tiene hasta 28, es así que es bastante grande, ¿vale? Y ahora vale, este es para subir la cubierta. Vale, ahí la mete.
ah,
Vale,
Sí.
ok, muy bien.
sí, funciona así, con
Ujú,
este
vale, sí,
brazo
este te la colgado.
ayudante.
Vale, de acuerdo.
Muy automático.
Vale. Este tiene garantía también europea, ¿verdad?
Sí, este tiene garantía con 2 años.
Sí, tiene garantía de 2
Sí,
años. Ok.
las máquinas básicas solamente tienen un año garantía, ese con 2 años garantía.
Vale, ok. Vale,
Entonces tenemos confianza en la calidad.
vale, aquí este vemos cómo le mete, vale, ya lo ha metido.
Sí.
Sube para arriba, bueno, también muy bien, sí.
Sí,
Ahí tiene el seguro y le quita, vale, perfecto.
sí.
Muy bien, sí, me gusta mucho.
Y,
Sí, bastante robusto, muy bien.
ujú.
Vale, ¿y qué tenemos? Este también viene con el cañón de aire.
Este sí, se puede trabajar con ese cañón de aire.
Vale, vale, sí.
Y además, si no elige este cañón de aire, tenemos ese para inflar.
Sí, ¿cuál, los agujeros?
Sí, con tanque.
Sí, con ese tanque.
Aire, puede
Vale,
salir.
sí, que se mete por aquí
Ujú.
y con un disparo se
Sí.
infla, ¿vale? Muy bien.
Sí, ahora vamos a mover sacar este
Vale.
chancón.
Este se quita de aquí, ¿no? Este se de aquí, se quita, ¿no?
Sí, vamos a llamar el técnico para sacar
Vale.
este. Sí.
De acuerdo.
Sí.
Vale, aquí se aprieta y se cierra.
Sí, muy bien, bien.
Gracias.
Sí,
Vale, aquí tiene los agujeros, ¿no? Estos
Sí.
agujeros es para inflar.
sí, ese para inflar
La rueda es de
automática.
abajo. Vale, muy
Sale
bien.
aire de este tanque.
Vale, sí, de ese
Ajá.
tanque, vale.
Sí.
Ok,
Ujú.
muy bien. Vale,
Sí.
también tiene la palanca esta y tiene el rodillo, ¿vale?
Sí.
Muy bien. Sí, sí.
A ver cómo se funciona.
Buah, esta rueda es grande, ¿eh?
Para.
Vale, esta rueda es grande. Vale, sí, le mete ahí.
También se puede mover.
Vale, sí, bien, bien.
Sí.
Bien, tiene fuerza. Sí, ahí le va quitando. Vale, ok. Muy bien, muchas gracias.
Sí. Entonces vendemos mucho esta máquina.
Vale, muy bien,
Sí.
vale. ¿Y qué más tienes que enseñarme? ¿Tienes alguna máquina más que enseñarme, Isabela?
Después, despacito, aquí lo que quiero explicar
Sí.
adentro,
Sí.
especialmente este
¿Modelo?
motor.
El motor.
Sí,
Sí.
el motor de esta máquina tiene patente de nosotros, es un motor completo.
Ah, es
completo,
vuestra
para
patente. El motor está diseñado
muy
por vosotros.
eficiencia y ahorrar electricidad, energía
Ok.
de electricidad, especialmente muy bueno para los países que alta gasto de electricidad.
Sí, que cuesta mucho la electricidad,
Sí,
¿no?
entonces
Vale, muy
este
bien.
motor es muy bueno.
Vale, ok.
Es muy popular.
Vale, de acuerdo.
Sí.
Muy bien. Vale, vale, genial. Vale, me gusta mucho.
Ujú. Vamos
Perfecto.
a ver el video.
Vale, vamos a ver un vídeo. Ok.
Video.
Double 698 is a swing arm tire changer with dual assist arms, 009 left help arm and 098D right help arm. A basic machine without help arm, it can change a common tire without a problem. Upgrade the basic swing arm tire changer with the right hep arm 098D. It allows the technicians to deal with the low profile tires with less efforts. The 098D help arm is a patented device. Use it to build a gap between rim and the duck head that it allows the lever easily insert into the gap and put the bead on the duck head when demounting. For run flat tire changing, we recommend to change tires with double help arms. We added a 009 left help arm together with 098D. It provides a 2 points pressing force to make tire changing easier. Ask for a simple upgrade. Solutions from Unite is worthy to try. Double 698 is a swing arm tire changer with dual assist arms, 009 left help arm and 098D right help arm. A basic machine without help arm, it can change a common tire without a problem. Upgrade the basic swing arm tire changer with a right hep arm 098D. It allows the technicians to deal with the low profile tires with less efforts. The 098D help arm is a patented device. Use it to build a gap between rim and the duck head that it allows the lever easily insert into the gap and put the bead on the duck head when demounting. For run flat tire changing, we recommend to change tires with double help arms. We added a 009 left help arm together with 098D. It provides a 2 points pressing force to make tire changing easier. Ask for a simple upgrade. Solutions from Unite is worthy to try.
Hola a todos, bienvenidos otra vez. Ahora vamos a ver nuestro otro modelo de balanceadora. Este modelo es lo que vendemos más. Primero, number one de nuestra balanceadora.
Pues este es el número 1 de las balanceadoras que vendéis.
Sí, sí.
Vale. Vale, y este, vale, veo que tiene aquí, este es fuerte, este diseño de, ¿es compacto?
Sí, se puede ver.
Vale, de acuerdo. ¿Y cómo funciona? ¿Cómo es el programa aquí?
Este es una balanceadora automática.
Vale,
es
automática.
Se puede trabajar muy inteligente. Puede controlar con este teclado.
Sí, aquí están los modos, ¿no? Aquí los modos de operación.
Sí, este es para poner las cosas.
Vale, sí.
Este es para controlar.
Vale.
Y este para ver.
Para ver, sí.
Detalles.
Vale,
sí.
aquí vemos las posiciones, ¿no? De la rueda, ¿no?
Sí,
vale.
la pantalla es muy claro, es grande, más grande que la celular.
Vale, sí, es como hacer las mediciones.
Muy claro.
Vale, vale, y se ponen ahí, ok.
Sí.
Vale, sí, lo va poniendo ahí, vale, sí.
Sí.
De acuerdo, 15, vale,
Sí.
entonces está bien correcta, vale. O sea, ahora vamos a ver cómo lo hace, vale. Este está puesto el adaptador para ruedas de motos, ¿no?
Sí, sí, este adaptador para moto,
Vale.
es rueda de
Vale,
moto.
¿y dónde lo pone? ¿Dónde está? Está
sí.
aquí.
Ok.
Vale. Ok, vale. De acuerdo, o sea, está bien este.
Sí,
Okay.
este es trabajar muy fácil y muy sencillo, estructura muy sencillo, entonces muy popular en muchos países. ¿Lo viste el modelo antes? ¿Has visto en su país?
Yo un amigo mío lo compró este. Sí, un amigo mío sí compró esta unidad. Compraba estas unidades, sí.
Sí. Entonces, este es muy bueno.
Vale, este también viene con la pistola de aire comprimido, ¿no?
Sí.
Para para este de aquí.
Sí, para...
Vale.
Ok. Este
Vale.
para otro llantas.
Sí,
No,
sí,
no
porque este es de moto.
moto.
Ok, vale.
Sí,
Este es
sí.
de moto que está aquí está aquí el adaptador de la moto, ¿vale?
Sí.
Muy bien.
Este
muy bien.
para llanta de auto se puede ajustar la llanta
Vale.
para estable por aquí.
Vale, aquí tiene el otro sensor que este es para la para la llanta normal, ¿no? De
Sí.
coche. Vale, de acuerdo.
Sí, sí.
Muy bien, muy bien. ¿Este qué garantía tiene?
Tiene 2 años de garantía.
Tiene 2 años de garantía.
Sí.
Vale.
Entonces la calidad, no se preocupe, es muy bueno.
Es muy bueno, sí, porque vale, este no es nuevo, ya hay muchas pruebas, ¿no? Muchos clientes ya han comprado y ya más o menos.
Sí.
Vale, bueno, pues sí, parece que tiene buena pinta, sí, vale, esto es
Sí. Este
elástico.
es muy grueso.
Vale, sí, para
Se ve.
proteger. Vale, pues muy bien, está muy bien, me gusta mucho. Vale, sí tiene aquí los modos,
Ajá.
tiene aquí este es fácil de controlar. Muy bien, muy bien.
Sí, y ahora, si usted compra este modelo, con este modelo
Sí.
también tenemos promoción con inflador.
Sí, con el
cañón de
de este
aire.
cañón de aire, este cañón
Sí,
que me has dicho antes, ¿no?
Sí, o otro con rueda y otro con,
No, vale.
para mover. Sí.
Vale, sí, que
¿Conoces este?
Sí, ya me lo has explicado antes, pero sí, o sea, tiene los dos gatillos aquí para activarlo, los dos a la vez y inflar de una vez.
Sí.
Vale, muy bien.
Trabajar muy rápido, no es necesario esperar mucho tiempo en el
Para
taller.
inflar,
Sí.
vale, sí, porque
Sí.
vale, pues tiene buena pinta, vale, o sea, comprando uno de estos, vale, ahí también le puedes poner la rueda si quieres,
Sí,
le puedes poner aquí o le puedes poner ahí, ¿no?
Este se puede mover a donde lo que quiere. Este no se puede mover, este se puede mover.
Sí, bueno, tiene aquí las pestañas estas, ¿no? Que esto se quita y se pone en el carro.
Sí.
Vale, de acuerdo, sí, vale, pues muy bien,
Sí.
vale, me gusta mucho.
Sí. ¿Cómo le parece?
Sí, me parece muy bien, me parece
¿Tiene algunas
bastante.
preguntas de nuestros máquinas?
Hombre, más o menos estos son parecidos a los que ya había visto, lo único la pistola de aire comprimido, que esto sí que es verdad que es una cosa que no había visto mucho, que ya la tenía un amigo mío, y nada más, es decir...
Y todas las máquinas tienen CE, tiene certificación de CE.
Para Europa, vale, sí.
Si
Vale.
no tiene algunas preguntas, vamos a ver el video.
Vale, sí, podemos ir a ver el vídeo,
Sí.
perfecto.
Video.
Hello friends, I'm Rebecca from Balance Group. Tire changer is an important component of any garage. As long as the car is running on tires, that requires a tire changer for easy maintenance. Some of you may do business in it. Some may use it daily. But how are they made? Today, I'll show you the processes how to make a tire changer.
Now I'm standing in the workshop. Here is the area of CNC machining center.
Rome wasn't built in a day, and the tire changer wasn't built with simple processes. To build a tire changer, we have many different kinds of components to be handled. All the small pieces are sent into this area for fine processing. This robotic arm is carrying a workpiece for precision machine here. All of them are carefully finished. You are looking at the place where we work on the turntables. The robot is introduced to handle heavy-duty loads. Workpieces are transferred to the machining center for milling, and finally, we have beautiful finishes. When we are talking about the quality of a component, or even defining a component is successfully made or not, accuracy is much important. The accuracy of this giant laser cutting machine can be reached to plus minus 0.1 mm. That's the thickness of a 4A paper. This is absolutely a great benefit for the following precision assembly, which is also a guarantee for what you will get from us. After being cut, drilled, and milled, the workpieces after shipped will be transferred to this area for welding and joining. Having each workpiece ready is not enough. We need a sturdy chassis to hold them all. I'm standing in front of the flexible manufacturing system. This system is able to swallow materials, then send them into the laser machine for cutting. Here we meet another robot brother. He is taking charge of the bending jobs. Extremely productive. Well, all of workpieces and chassis are ready. Now it's time for assembly. My colleagues are examining the quality. Only qualified products will go to the end for packing. Actually, Balance requires and takes action on quality control in every single step of processing. What we want to do is to provide the high-quality products to you. I hope this video could help you get some information on our manufacturing of the tire changer. If you want to know more information about us or our products, please go to this website or chat with us. I'm Rebecca from Balance. See you next time.
Bueno, Isabela, y te iba a hacer otra pregunta. ¿Tienes máquinas para alinear la rueda, es decir, alineadoras de rueda?
Sí, alineación. Tenemos,
¿Sí?
Tenemos una máquina de alineación muy inteligente. A ver.
¿Es esta de aquí?
Aquí está.
Vale, ok.
Sí, se ve completo.
Vale.
Este y este.
Vale, pero una cosa te iba a decir. ¿Esta máquina de alineación es móvil?
Sí,
¿Se puede
puede mover con las ruedas.
Vale.
Entonces no necesita se puede mover a cualquier lugar.
Pero luego cada vez que se mueve no hay que calibrarla.
No, ese es lo que quiero decir. Ese es ventaja de esta máquina.
Ah,
no,
vale,
no hace falta instalar otra vez o no hace falta calibrar otra vez. Muy inteligente,
muy
por
bien.
eso muy inteligente.
Vale. Ok.
Sí.
Vale,
A ver,
sí.
llamamos los técnicos para ver cómo
Vale, va a hacer una
opera como
Vale.
inteligente.
Vale,
¿sí?
vale, de acuerdo.
OK，
Venga.
我们工程师来看一下我们这个机器是怎样的。
Vale, ese ahí tiene el ordenador.
Sí, ordenador, pantalla muy claro,
Sí.
Se puede ver.
Vale, perdón. Vale, entonces aquí vemos. Vale, ahí están los reflectantes, vale.
A ver, está moviendo las cámaras.
Vale, sí.
Entonces se puede mover para buscar. A ver.
Sí, ahora mira, se está moviendo, vale.
Está moviendo automático. Solamente controlar con este botón.
Vale.
Sí. A ver, la cámara está buscando.
Vale. ¿Y ese tiene las cámaras? Ok. Sí, ese es el reflectante.
Sí, muy inteligente.
Vale, ahora qué está haciendo, está pensando.
Sí. A ver. Ahora entramos el software.
Vale.
A ver, aquí, por aquí más
Ok.
claro. Para elegir
la
los tipos
marca.
ahora está eligiendo tipos de auto.
Vale.
Sí.
Ahí veo Audi, vale, que veo que tiene BMW, Chevy. Vale, ahí tiene las medidas.
Ajá.
Vale.
这是什么？是
出厂数据。
Oh, ese es datos, los datos de software.
Vale.
Sí, se puede
No, pero
actualizar.
Este es el...
Puede por aquí, más claro. Aquí, puede ver aquí. Ujú. Sí.
推车前先把方向盘固定好。
Primero estaplar manejando.
Vale, vale. El volante de la rueda.
Sí, sí.
进入推车功能。
Vale, ahí te dice...
Ese funciona para
需要把车往后推。
necesita empuje,
Vale.
un poco empuje para que adecuar.
Vale.
Sí,
Sí.
distancia.
Ah, vale, ahí te dice todas las medidas. Vale, dice las medidas de este, de este, de este y de este. Y lo de atrás y lo del volante. Ah, muy bien.
¿Entiendes?
Sí, sí,
对，
sí,
这
sí,
就是
sí.
测量完的车辆数据，方便维修工修理。
Vale.
Es muy conveniente para reparar.
Sí,
para
sí, sí.
reparar.
Sí,
lo
para
que se-
alinear las ruedas.
Ajá. Y para mantenimiento.
Mantenimiento, sí, mantenimiento. Vale, de acuerdo. ¿Las cámaras estas son buenas? Las cámaras estas que tiene aquí.
Sí, este es muy calidad muy buena.
Vale. ¿Y este es el último modelo de alineadora que tenéis?
Sí, este es el último que más nuevo.
Vale, es más nuevo.
Y especialmente tiene ese software, nosotros ofrecemos gratis. Para
El software es
actualizar.
vuestro, es de desarrollo propio.
Sí, sí.
Vale.
No necesita pagarlo otra vez.
O sea, si quiero actualizar, no es gratis, las actualizaciones. Vale, si
Sí.
quiero actualizarlo, no pasa nada. Yo llamo al servicio técnico
Ajá.
y ellos me dicen cómo actualizarlo.
Sí, sí. Entonces este es un muy bueno servicio de nosotros.
Vale, de acuerdo. Vale, este imagino que también tiene certificación de Europa, certificación CE.
Sí,
Este modelo con todos, con los reflectores y todo, o sea, se puede comprar en Europa sin
sí.
problema.
Sí, y, tenemos patente con este diseño.
Ah, es patentado vuestro, o sea, todo el diseño y todo es de vuestra patente.
Sí.
Ah, muy bien, muy bien.
Vamos a ver él trabajar con este elevador.
Ah, es verdad, porque este elevador no me lo has enseñado.
Sí.
Este es más grande, ¿no? Vale, este es para alinear las ruedas.
Sí,
Vale.
este elevador especialmente para trabajar con alineación.
Vale.
A ver,
Sí, tiene aquí las marcas, sí, las medidas.
este plato
Giratorio, sí, que puede alinearse.
se puede, sí, se
puede
puede
mover.
cambiar posición.
Sí, la posición para alinearlo. Vale, muy bien, vale, de acuerdo.
Y este aquí para evitar choque.
Ah, para que el coche no vaya para adelante, vale, para que no se desplace.
Sí, más seguro.
Sí, 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 vale.
Y la capacidad de este elevador, 4 toneladas.
Sí, 4.000 kilos,
Sí.
ahí viene, vale. Una pregunta te iba a hacer, ¿este elevador cuánto sube?
Se puede subir
¿Cuánto puede subir?
hasta 1.700.
No, sí, ¿cuánto sube?
Oh,
¿1.700?
Más alto.
Sí, más altos.
La altura límite
Sí, la altura del límite.
se puede subir hasta 1.700 milímetros.
Vale, 1,70 m.
Sí,
Vale, 1,70 m.
ahora vamos a ver cómo sube.
Vale. Sí, ahí veo que tiene el cilindro grande y eso de ahí que es, ese no es cilindro.
Sí, aquí tiene cilindro y aquí tiene dos. Aquí tiene dos.
Dos reglas.
Reglas, sí, dos reglas para que quedaran
Para
más,
que se-
más
seguro.
Sí.
Vale, para que se quede seguro. Vale, y ahí tiene, eso es un gato.
Sí,
Tiene un gato dentro. Tiene dos.
Sí, ese tiene, se puede usar uno o también se puede usar con dos.
Vale, vale.
Tenemos 3 tipos de ese gatos.
De ese gato, vale.
Sí, se puede trabajar con electricidad, por manual y
manual.
manual, sí,
Ah,
sí.
ok.
Y también tiene trabajar con compresor.
Compresor de aire.
Sí,
Compresor
sí.
de aire, vale.
Entonces,
Neumático.
ujú.
Vale.
Y a ver, encima de gato, ese gato,
Sí.
sí,
Seguro.
a ver, ujú.
Vale, que
El
lo ves.
técnico está mostrando,
Vale.
se puede cambiar la longitud.
La longitud. Vale,
sí.
la longitud para adaptarlo.
Ujú, sí.
Vale. Así
A ver, se puede,
Uf,
se puede levantar
muy
más.
bien.
Ujú. Así más fácil para trabajar, ¿cierto?
Sí, esto para cambiar las ruedas. Sí que cambiar las ruedas, o sí que mover. Sí, está muy bien, está muy bien.
Sí, y tenemos otro tipo, manual 手动的那个a ver, aquí tienen otro tipo.
¿Otro tipo de gato?
Sí, otro tipo.
De gato. Vale. ¿Este tipo de gato? ¿Este qué es? Manual.
Se opera
Manualmente.
manual.
Este solo 2.000 kilos. Ese de ahí 3.000 y este 2.000.
2.000
Vale.
también, 3.000.
Vale.
3.000, 2.000.
¿Y
Sí.
estos? ¿Y estos?
Se opera por mano.
Con mano, sí.
A ver.
Vale, vale, vale. Y una pregunta te iba a hacer. ¿Y estos dos gatos vienen con el elevador?
No, ese es para operación. Opcional.
Opcional, ok,
Sí,
ok,
sí.
ok. Es opcional. O sea, no vienen con la máquina, ¿no?
No viene con la máquina.
Vale.
Usted puede elegir con este gato uno o puede
Elegir dos.
agregar 2.
Vale, vale,
Ajá.
vale.
Sí, a ver,
Vale.
se puede mover.
Vale, sí, este se mueve para la alineación.
Sí.
Y ahí tiene los raíles, los gatos. Vienen con 2 raíles, ¿no? Que se pueden mover el gato.
Ese
de aquí.
rey,
El raíl.
ese tiene ese camino del tren.
Sí, bueno, sí, el camino del gato, sí, que es como lo del tren.
Sí,
Vale.
sí.
Sí, o sea, viene por aquí el gato, ¿vale?
Ajá.
Ok.
Sí,
Se
además,
pueden mover de aquí para allá y de...
además tenemos este sensor.
Vale.
Sensor, a ver, se puede
¿Para qué?
para quedar en
El
nivel.
Vale, para quedar en nivel.
Para
Vale.
quedar en un nivel mismo.
Vale, las 2 plataformas, ¿no? Que queden al mismo nivel.
Ajá,
Vale,
sí.
vale, de acuerdo. Vale, de acuerdo.
Con la luz,
Vale.
con el sensor.
Con el sensor ese,
Sí,
vale.
y también tiene luz, a ver.
Vale, sí, veo los raíles por aquí, que están aquí.
Ajá.
Vale, muy bien.
Sí,
muy bien,
sí.
muy bien. Y este
Eso-
también tiene certificación europea, ¿no?
Sí, también tiene seguro, sí que el alarma seguro 有警报，是吗？讲完那个关电了，
Tiene seguro como los otros que hemos visto.
sí,
Vale.
también.
Sí, vale,
a
ahora está
ver,
bajando. Vale, aquí debajo.
está operando, a ver. Se van, están moviendo.
Sí, para arriba, para que luego baje. Vale, aquí le vemos cómo baja.
Ese sensor para quedar en un nivel mismo, entonces es muy seguro.
Nunca lo había visto, es la primera vez que lo veo.
Sí, muchos clientes dicen que en su país tiene más o menos el
Parecido.
estilo como ese parecido.
Pero con los 2 raíles, con esto de aquí, que sube, que se mueve, eso no lo había visto. Esto está muy bien.
Sí, y
Vale.
también a los clientes dicen que no han visto tan delgada.
Ajá, vale, sí, sí, no, es compacto.
Sí, para ahorrar el espacio de auto de taller.
Vale, vale. Muy bien. Está muy bien.
Y para subir auto y,
Sí.
y cuando subiendo, se puede, cuando no trabaja, se puede.
Se puede doblar, vale,
Sí.
se puede guardar.
Y para pasar los.
La gente, sí,
Sí,
sí, la
sí.
gente. Vale, muy bien, muy bien.
Está bien con
Sí.
este modelos.
Sí, está muy bien.
Sí, muy,
Vale.
ese es muy inteligente y se
Vale.
puede trabajar con alineación y tienes muchas funciones nuevas. Sí.
Vale,
Es nuestro producto estrella.
vale, vale, muy bien.
Entonces vamos a ver más detalle con el video.
Ah, con un vídeo. Vale, ok, vale, muy
Video.
bien.
D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180 millimeters. It is equipped with abrasion-resistant slip plates for four-wheel alignment. D40B is a CE certificated lift. Let's see some safety points of it. It has safety descending stop and height limit switch. The following are the optional configuration. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for various vehicles. The photoelectric switch can monitor the level of platforms. LED light is available. Rolling jacks is optional. Manual control, pneumatic control, and electric control available. This is the electric rolling jack. Now you can see the manual rolling jack, controlled by a manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. The height of the adjustable lifting tray is 30 to 65 millimeters. Now lift the vehicle with the electric rolling jack. Let us check the 3D wheel alignment. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift. It has high accurate, and it is very stable, and no perform calibration is needed at any time. The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread measurement in a shorter time. Roll the vehicle to complete the compensation, quickly to get the measurement data in 2 minutes.
Bueno, sí, Isabela, te iba a comentar, tengo unos clientes que están buscando grúas para cambiar las baterías de los coches eléctricos porque son muy pesadas.
Oh, un elevador para,
Sí,
para
para
sacar batería de los coches.
Eléctricos.
Ok.
Eléctricos.
Batería. Sí, tenemos.
Tenemos, vale, sí.
Porque nosotros sabemos que en unos países, hay muchos países que ahora está populando en los coches con batería.
Sí, cada vez más.
Para proteger el ambiente de...
El medio ambiente, sí. Ahora cada vez más países te requieren eso, sí, es verdad, es muy necesario.
Sí, sí. A ver, nosotros tenemos este modelo.
Sí, vale.
Sí.
Este modelo, muy
sí,
bien.
se puede mover con
Se puede-
cuatro
vale,
ro-
se mueve con las ruedas.
Sí,
vale,
se puede
sí.
mover así.
Vale, es bastante tal. Vale, ¿y qué te iba a decir? Este modelo es, imagino que es nuevo, ¿no? Porque antes no hacíais grúas para baterías
Sí, antes no hay, porque antes no hay tanto coches con...
eléctricos.
Sí.
Vale, de acuerdo, muy bien. ¿Y qué te iba a decir? Primero es, ¿qué altura tiene? ¿Qué altura puede alcanzar la plataforma?
Después vamos a mostrar por nuestro técnico.
Vale.
Primero vamos a ver este coma.
Vale, la goma, sí, sí.
Para ese encima, porque encima es
La
batería.
batería,
Entonces,
sí.
este para que proteger.
Sí, porque la batería puede ser un poco delicada. Vale, de acuerdo. Y esta plataforma se mueve, ¿no? Esto se mueve.
Sí, después vamos a mostrar eso.
Vale.
Y a ver, aquí se puede poner manos para sacar.
Vale, para mover la batería por debajo.
Sí, sí. Así,
Vale. Mira, muy buena idea. Muy buena idea, vale. ¿Y esto qué es? Esto de aquí, que imagino que esto es el control, ¿no?
Sí, es
Este
el
control,
botón.
el control.
Espere, vamos a llamar
Vale.
técnico
vale, de acuerdo.
para operación. 我们的工程师来操作一下。
Vale, les voy a enseñar cómo funciona, ¿no?
Sí, sí.
Vale, muy bien. Vale.
A ver cómo se funciona. Se puede mover
Vale,
con
sí.
las ruedas.
Vale, de acuerdo, muy bien.
Sí, y para
Sí, eso sí.
plataforma.
Vale, tiene frenos también, ¿no? Las ruedas tienen frenos para que no se mueva luego.
有刹车的是吗？
Sí, están ahí. Vale.
啊，
Sí, es
sí.
eso. Sí.
A ver,
Tiene frenos, vale. Perfecto.
sí.
Vale.
Y para ver cómo
Sube, sí, quiero ver cómo sube. Me gustaría
怎么
cómo
样
sube.
升举升的，看一下。
Vale. Ah, mira, se puede remoto. Vale, ahí tiene
Sí.
para arriba y para abajo. Muy bien, muy bien.
a ver，
Vale.
可以多高？这个1.8米。A ver cuánto altura se puede subir.
Ah, pues sí, está bien.
Sí,
Es casi
1800
1,80.
milímetros.
Sí, está muy bien. Vale, ahora está bajando. Ok.
Sí.
Vale, sí, o sea que es como yo de alto. Sí, vale, suficiente, de sobra. De sobra para trabajar, de sobra.
Sí.
Vale, ¿y cuánto peso aguanta?
¿Cómo?
¿Cuánto peso aguanta? ¿Cuánto peso se puede poner aquí?
¿Cuántos pesos? Mil
1000 kilos.
Mil
kilogramos.
Kilogramos, sí.
Sí, tiene que tener ¿Dónde tiene la plaquita?
¿Plaquita?
Esta aquí, sí, vale, de acuerdo. Este tiene 1000 kilos, vale, muy bien. Y te iba a preguntar, ¿esto tenéis la certificación de Europa?
Sí, a
¿Para
ver.
este producto?
A ver.
Porque este es un producto nuevo, entonces a veces
Sí.
mis clientes tienen miedo de si tiene certificación, no tiene certificación.
No se preocupe,
Vale.
ya hemos pasado parte de TUV.
Ah, de TUV. Ah,
sí.
Vale, muy bien, muy bien. Vale, sí viene con su matrícula, con todo, aquí todas las especificaciones.
Sí.
Muy bien, vale. ¿Y esto qué es? ¿Esto es para ver el motor? ¿Esto de aquí?
Ah,
Este de aquí, este es como
ese
un cajón.
ese es una caja para guardar,
Este como, bueno, lo abre ahí. Ah, bueno, sí, se abre así.
para guardar los
Ah, bueno, sí, como un
herramientas.
armario y tiene el
herramientas.
motor ahí.
Sí.
Tiene que también se puede acceder al motor desde aquí dentro.
Ajá.
Vale, muy bien, está muy chulo, muy bien. Vale, de acuerdo. ¿Y esto eso va
Sí,
aquí por debajo?
Sí, después puedes ver cómo
¿Cómo se mueve?
sí,
Vale, este se mueve para ajustar. Vale, de acuerdo.
sí. Vamos a ver cómo
¿Cómo lo hace? Sí, vale, pero ¿va a sacar la batería o no? No.
no, para
Vale.
mostrar cómo se opera.
Vale, cómo la mete debajo del coche, ¿no? Y eso,
sí,
vale,
sí.
muy bien. Vale, cómo la mueve de ahí a ahí. Ah, vale,
sí，我们
perfecto.
看一下它怎么样。我们要把这个移到那边去，看一下它怎样。
Vale.
Sí.
A ver.
A ver, primero
ahora
bájalo.
Vale, este es UDP5, ¿no? Este es UDP5. UDP5. Vale, pues sí, este es muy conveniente.
Sí.
porque así podemos cambiar la batería. Está bien. Vale, entonces se tiene que
Ese con
desenchufar
cables.
para
así,
mover.
Así.
Vale, aquí, entre dos mejor. Pero una persona también puede moverlo, ¿no?
Sí, también puede.
Vale.
Aquí está.
Vale, sí, se pone la grúa debajo del coche. Vale, y ahora nos va a decir cómo. Vale, se pondría así, sí, de sobra.
Sí. A ver.
Muy bien. Muy bien, muy bien.
Se
Me gusta
puede
mucho.
adecuar el...
Y se inclina. O sea, se puede inclinar.
Ajá.
Esto se inclina. Fíjate. Claro, porque a veces no está recto. A veces cuando baja las baterías no están rectas. Mira qué bien, qué chulo. Sí, tiene ahí como un gato, ¿no? Tiene ahí con esa palanca para...
A ver.
Sí.
Plato.
Vale,
plataforma.
ese también se gira. El plato es giratorio.
Ajá.
Vale. Ok, vale. ¿Alguna cosa más? ¿Tienes más modelos de este tipo de elevadores de batería?
Sí, tenemos otro tipo de ese elevador, no solamente para cambiar batería, también para cambiar aceite.
Vale,
Sí.
¿también para cambiar aceite?
Sí,
Oh.
este para cambiar batería y otro para cambiar, se puede para cambiar la batería de coche, se puede cambiar aceite para recuperar aceite de auto. Vamos a ver más detalles en video.
Vale, ok.
Video.
Hello friends, it's very good to see you in this way. This is our first time to do the live show. So my feeling is very interesting and also exciting. And also a little nervous.
Yeah,
Yes.
me too.
Okay, today I'm going to tell you something about the wheel balances and the tire changers, but we do the introduction first for the wheel balances. The first things I have to say, because of the virus, the world was trapped in the difficult time. But I think if we have confidence to fight against the virus, we will win at the final, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
We hope we can defeat the virus soon.
Yeah.
So now let's start to introduce the wheel balancer.
Okay.
Yeah.
The next, I'm going to tell something about the wheel balancers. Okay.
开始。
And Harry, do you know this? Do you know this machine is it a top selling machine?
Yes, this is one of our most hot sell models, wheel balancer, fully automatic wheel balancer.
Yeah, this machine is very good, and this machine with the automatic ruler. This is the automatic ruler.
Yeah.
And the automatic width ruler too.
Yeah, the width ruler.
Yeah, and also has the laser function and the electric disc breaker.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, next I'm going to show you the machine one by one.
Okay, step by step.
Yes.
So the first.
The first is the shop wheel. The shop wheel is designed by our company. So we have got the patent documents.
Yeah.
Yeah. This software design is very simple. It's very easy to use. The first, I want to introduce. This software has 3 main interfaces. This one is the first interface.
Okay.
This one's for measuring ring size, and the second.
The first interface is for measuring the ring size.
Yes.
And the
ring
second?
size. The second is for showing the imbalance weight.
Of the wheel.
Yes, out of the wheel. And the
third interface.
Yeah, the third interface.
Is
this interface is the setting interface. In this page, there's some interesting function.
Yeah. What is it?
Do you know how many languages in this system?
Before we have 20 languages, but I think we already improved more languages.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure how many languages.
I will show you.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
you can see.
Yeah.
There's about 25 languages.
I see there is English, Chinese, Korean,
Yes, English,
French,
Chinese, and
Spanish, etc. I
there's
think most language that is normal use already included.
Yes.
Yeah. What if people don't said they don't have the local language of their country?
Oh, if the ending customer said they need the local language, the customer just needs them to tell us, and then we will send him. We will send the customer the English
version.
Yes, English version flyers, and then the customer help us to translate to the local language. Then we will put the local language in this system, so, and you can have it.
Yeah, so the end customers and will can read it more easily.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the first one.
Okay.
And then the second one is the. In this software, we designed
What's this interface?
This interface is for showing the sensors working status.
The sensor working status.
Yes.
Okay.
It's used for the technician guys to check the sensors.
Check the data of the sensor so that if there is any problems, they can know easily.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
It's very good for the after service.
Okay.
Okay, this is.
So
the
about
software.
is the third interface, main interface of this machine. So what's next?
The next is, as you see, this gimbal, is it simple?
There's some buttons there.
Yes, there's only a few buttons on this gimbal. It's a unique design. It's a very good for the ending customer. The ending customer, they don't need to have any training, after service training. They can easily to learn how to use these machines. It's very easy for the customer to operate the systems. Yeah.
Okay. So what's the next part?
The next part, do you know how many highlight of these machines, the advantage?
I think there are many advantages. The most useful advantage is that this machine, I think, is fully automatic.
Yeah.
And could you tell me more?
Yeah. Actually, this machine has two highlight advantages. The first one, the software is very smart. It can identify the suitable wheel balance mode for the ring, and the second one is the accuracy is higher and also it's very stable. You know, the accuracy is very important for the machine.
Yes,
Later I will
that's
show you about these two highlight advantages.
So
Okay.
this wheel balancer have total 9 balancing modes, right?
Yes.
And it included the car tires and also the motorcycle tire. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So
Okay.
could you please show us the
Yes.
first?
I will show you how these machines identify the suitable wheel balance mode
For the
okay.
ring.
Yes,
Okay.
for the ring. Okay,
Please.
I will show you. You
I look forward for
change
it.
this way.
Okay.
Okay, the first things we back to this. Okay, we back to this interface, and then as you know, for the traditional wheel balances, if you want to change the wheel balance modes, you have to press the button
To select the
Yeah.
related modes.
to select the suitable modes.
Yeah.
But for this machine, you don't need to select by any button. Okay, I will show you. Now, for example, the first I want to show you how to balance the aluminum tire. I just need to
Okay.
put the ruler handle the first position and the second position. And you can see the screen.
Yeah.
It shows the aluminum tire wheel balance mode. Okay. If you want to
I want to stick the weight to the ring. So
yeah, you want to stick the car weight to both sides.
yeah.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
we can also change the wheel balance mode by this way.
Okay.
Okay. Then you can see it changed. It changed to the steering wheel. Yeah, and the third one, we have also the third one model. It's very good.
Yes.
As you see, you can see
Already changed.
Yeah, already changed. So there are 3 wheel balance modes.
Commonly used
Yes,
modes.
yes. So you
Okay.
can identify
automatically by
yes.
the ruler.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is the first features that is very useful. So what's
Yes.
the next one?
The next.
Okay. You want to?
I have to say something about this model.
Okay.
This feature again. This model, this function is very smart, you know. So it's very helpful for the ending customer. It's very helpful for the ending customer to use these machines. So it's very easy and simple. Yeah.
So
Okay, the next I'm going to show you about the shop. This is the shop.
yeah, I heard that this shop is designed and manufactured by our own factory.
Yes, all the completed shops it's from our company, from our factory.
This complete shop
Yes, this
is
complete
designed and manufactured by our own factory.
Yes.
Okay.
As you know, there are just a few manufacturers can produce and design these shops.
Cool.
We are one of the manufacturers who can produce and design these shops, so
Okay.
that we can control the quality and control the shipping days by ourselves.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Because
good.
many customers want the fast
Yeah,
delivery. Okay.
Yes, this is the is a kind of the core technology.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. The next at the beginning, I told you this accuracy is very good and also very stable.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So
Could you please show us?
yeah, of course,
No,
I will show you. As you know, in the exhibition, there's some professional customer.
Yeah.
They will test the machines with a professional way to test the accuracy.
Yeah. The accuracy of the wheel balancer in
Yes,
the imbalanced way of the machine.
Yes.
Okay.
So I am going to show you the professional way to test the accuracy.
Yeah, I look forward for it. Please.
Let me change. And then start the machine. Okay. Let's touch this button. We can see the real imbalanced weight.
So the left side is 1 gram, the right side imbalancing weight is 1 gram also.
Okay. Okay. The next, the professional weight is like this. I release this nut. Then I turn an
Try
angle.
to another angle
Yes.
to test again the imbalancing weight.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we lay down it. Let's check how many. You can see.
So now,
Two. Just 1 gram difference. Yes. It's very good. The accuracy is
the actual data imbalancing weight is 2 gram. Before
Yes.
it's 1 gram. So
Yes.
the difference is only 1 gram.
yeah.
Yeah.
And the international standard is 5 gram.
The international standard is 5 gram difference.
Yes. But we
Okay,
can
I see.
do it 1 gram or 2 grams.
Yeah.
So this accuracy is very good.
So it's high accuracy.
Yes, it's
Okay.
high accuracy.
So what's the next? Could you please show us the disc positioning? The laser positioning.
The laser function. Okay, I will show you the laser function. Okay, before we do the laser function, we can here, and then now we can see here. I make it. You can see the laser is moving, right?
Yes.
And then the other one.
So now
Okay.
this is another function, right?
Yeah.
This
no,
is
this is also the laser function. You can
Okay.
see. That's the.
So when it turns green, it will start
Yes.
automatically.
Yes. And there's a electric breaker.
Yeah. So it will
To lock
stop.
to lock the tire.
Okay.
Okay. This is all of our wheel balances.
Yes. You don't need to. You don't need to. Pattern.
No. Yes. Because this one without the pattern, without the pendle.
Yeah, this is fully automatic.
Yes.
With the laser positioning
Laser position and automatic
laser
ruler.
positioning, and also the automatic ruler and the electric display.
brake, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So
That's all of these wheel balances.
yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's take a break and then we will introduce the tire changer later.
Okay. I'm going to show you something about the tire changers. Yeah. Hey. As you see, this tire changers has the very special design. You can see the cover. This cover is very nice, and also has the practical design for this. This one is for place some tools. This is the place, and also we have another toolbox. Is here.
We can put some tools, right?
Yes, you can put some tools, some items in the here. So it's very practical design. Okay.
This one is a tilting arm.
Yes, it's tilting arm.
Okay.
It's tilting arm machine. I will show you. It's tilting arm, and its turntable. It's about 24 inches.
Okay.
Yes. And it has the. Do you know how many protections of these machines?
I think there are three protections.
Yes.
Okay. Can you
So-
show us the protection?
Yes, I will show you the protection one by one. The first is here.
Okay.
Here is the practice mounting and demount and mounting hand practice protectors. Yes. And the second one is this.
For the
this
job.
one is, yeah.
Okay.
We have a this one is the practice protector for the contract. Yeah, for this one. And this one is the ring protector. Ring protector to protect the ring to prevent the scratching from. Yeah.
Okay. The next part, can you show me how to operate the machine?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Let's start.
The next, I'm going to show you how to demount the tire. I braid it.
So I would like to know how many power for the beam breaker.
This beam breaker is about
2,000, I think.
2,500
Kilograms.
kilograms.
Okay. Okay. It's a big power.
Yes, it's a big power. The power is enough.
Okay.
Okay. Don't worry about that. And then I'm going to show you the function of the center position.
Okay.
Yeah. Just like this. And then you can see it press the tire, and then grabbing will grab the edge of the ring.
Okay.
This is the outside grabbing. Yeah. And then let's do some. Oh, sorry. Let's do some lubricate the
Wow, Eri, you got a new
lubricate the
briefcase. Yes, this this case is from popular power and it can do any welding job. It can weld with 3.2 electrodes.
Small, but
it's so strong. I wish I can do one. Everyone can have this welder for home use and with this stable performance. Is there any promotion for this model? Yes, now you can have a Canton Fair sample promotion for 10% discount. Wow, it's so cost effective. Don't miss it. Take it home.
Hola a todos.
Wow, Eric, you got a new briefcase. Yes, this case is from Popular Power and it can do any welding job. It can weld with 3.2 electrodes. It's small, but it's so strong. I wish I can do one. Everyone can have this welder for home use and with this stable performance. Is there any promotion for this model? Yes, now you can have a Canton Fair sample promotion 10% discount. Wow, it's so cost effective. Don't miss it. Take it home.
Los equipos, a ver, viene nuestro cliente. Completo, también se puede
Eric, here are many electrodes, and I can see here is a cellulose electrode as well. So do
¿Cuál es lo mínimo que se puede comprar? Este viene con la máquina, este no.
Este se puede opcionar.
Opcional. ¿Y este también, el que hemos visto antes? ¿Este?
También
Oh,
opcional.
okay. Este es opcional. O sea, la máquina simple, la más simple. O sea,
wow, Eric, you got a new briefcase. Yes, this case is
parte
from Popular Power and it can do any welding job.
Primero, máquina.
It can weld with 3.2 electrodes. It's small,
vale, como el
but
otro,
it's so
¿no?
strong.
Vale,
I wish I can do
muy
one.
bien.
Everyone can have this.
Automático.
Muy bien, muy bien. Este me gusta mucho, este.
Wow, Eric, you got a new briefcase. Yes, this case is from Popular Power and it can do any welding job.
Vale, de acuerdo.
It can weld with 3.2 electrodes. It's small, but it's so strong. I wish I can do one. Everyone can have this welding for use and with this stable performance. Is there any promotion for this model? Yes, now you can have a Canton Fair sample promotion 10% discount. Wow, it's so cost effective. Don't miss it. Take it home.
Y ahora él solo. Y con el plato giratorio. Muy bien.
many electrodes, and I can see here is a cellulose electrode as well. So, do you have any welding machine for cellulose electrode?
Yes, this model, the MA200 series.
Wow, Eric, you got a new briefcase.
Yes, this case is from Popular Power and it can do any welding job. It can weld with 3.2 electrodes.
Wow, it's small, but it's so strong. I wish I can do one.
Everyone can have this welder for home use and with this stable performance.
Is there any promotion for this model?
Yes, now you can have a Canton Fair sample promotion 10% discount.
Wow, it's so cost effect. Don't miss it. Take it home. Here are many electrodes, and I can see here is a cellulose electrode as well. So, do you have any welding machine for cellulose electrode?
Yes, this model, the MA200 series. Series is stand for cellulose. It can weld with.
Yes, it can work with E7010
and E7018
and also 6010. It's very function, and also it can be worked with 110 and 220 voltage, and work with generator. Is it correct?
Perfect.
Okay.
This model is very popular in South American market. You can contact us to get the Spanish video. Everyone, the excited moment, the showtime of our magician Rebecca.
Look at this metal, it's rusted, right? Okay. And magic time. Don't go. Pop. Now it's clean as new.
Rebecca, how can you make it?
We have a tick series with clean function. Look at this tick 160p.
Oh, you mean this one?
Yes.
The ADC tick with
pause function, and NA and the clean function. Yes, that's right. Clean function by use this, and then it can be clean. Wow, that's great. There are 6 models in this TIG series with clean function. Yes, TIG 160 we are introducing, and the 180. Yes, and the 200. And with pause and without pause function. We received some inquiries from our customers who is in demand of skillful craft level welding machine. Do you have any recommendation? Then I will recommend this TIG 200P AC/DC. It's a multifunction TIG welder with AC TIG and AC pulse TIG for aluminum, and DC TIG, DC pulse TIG, and NA and auto welding. Okay, and you can see it is the pulse frequency and the cleaning room rest and also the cleaning scope are all adjustable. Right. It also can work with a remote control with a foot pedal connection. Okay, it's the turn of the TIG 200DB AC/DC. Yes, this is a intelligent welding machine. You can see the control panel is different to other welders. Yes, it is the digital control panel with LCD display. Yes, it's very easy to operate. You can see all the function can be found here, and it's very easy to operate. You can choose the AC function, and AC pulse, yes, T, DC T, DC pulse T, NA, and auto welding. Yes, also with the remote control pedal, the foot pedal, right? Yeah, it's optional. Yes. And for such multifunction TIG welder, the pulse frequency, the cleaning room wise and the cleaning scope are all adjustable, right? Oh, it's a 1 kg wide spoon for this machine here.
Oh, I see. I know this model. It's FC120.
Right. This is a professional gasless glass cold wide welding machine.
Is it for dual voltage?
Oh, exactly. It works with 110 watts and 220 watts.
Also, it's with MA function and the lifted function.
So you can see it's a multifunctional gasless glass cold wide welding machine.
Is there any promotion for this model?
Oh, Mila, you're so considerate. Now all buyers can enjoy the Canon Fair sample promotions 10% discount.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Take this mini model for DIY jobs.
Exercise during the break time. Do you want to try?
Yes. Oh, this is easy.
This? Oh, Mila, it's just a 5 kg wide spoon.
I prefer this one, 1 kilogram.
Oh, I think the MiG 160 will prefer both.
Oh, cool.
Because this multi-function gas and gasless MiG welding machine works with 1 kg and 5 kg wide spoon.
What function does it have?
Oh, as just mentioned, it's multi-function gasless and gas MiG mag wide welding machine. So it works with the...
Oh, I see. MiG, mag, and it also has NMA, lifted, and flux cold welding.
Yes, take this multi-function MiG mag welder for multi-tasks.
Wow, what a nice welding effect. Who made this?
This welder, the MIG 180P.
Can it weld aluminum?
Definitely. This is a multi-function MIG-MAG welding machine.
What function does it have?
Oh, you can have a look from the control panel.
Oh, I see. MIG, MMA, lifted, and the flux cord welding.
Right, and this multifunction MIG-MAG welder also works with either 1 kg flux cord wire or 5 kg wire span. Hey Rebecca, do you know what's the difference between this MIG 200X compared to others?
Okay, MIG 200X, as I can see, is different on the appearance. This one is with a plastic cover.
Right. Besides the metal cover, our customer also will ask for the plastic cover. And this multi-function MIG-MAG welding machine works with MIG, flux cord wire welding, MA, and lifting.
Okay, and we can see it can be used with 1 kilogram and 5 kilograms for wires.
Yeah, wire spans.
Yes.
The maximum output current of this machine is 200 amps, and it also has a smart fan.
Wow, what a nice cutting piece. This is so even.
Because it cut by this plasma cutter, the 120.
And this looks over 30 millimeter.
Exactly. Actually, this cutting piece is 45 millimeters. And this is the maximum thickness this machine can cut.
I see. So as an industry plasma cutter, can it connect with CNC machine?
Definitely, it can work with CNC machine to do the automation cutting jobs. It's time for the CTN 160.
What does CTN stands for?
It stands for cut, tick, and NA.
So it's a multi-functional wheel in one model.
Right, and it with a very intuitive control panel. You can just switch the button to choose a function, like what we are seeing now. It's cut.
Hello everyone, this is Arnau from Balance Group, here together with me Shine.
Hello everyone, here's Shine from Balance Group.
We are here in our first Canton Live Fair streaming from Guangzhou in our factory, one of our factories. And I think we should start introducing our company, HPMM, by watching a small, brief video. What do you think, Shine?
Yeah, let's see the video about our factory first.
Yeah.
Okay, have a look.
Welcome back, Shine. I know that the team has been prepared for this Canton Fair for weeks.
Yes.
And to be honest, this is our first time going online streaming. So what kind of promotions are we going to have for this Canton Fair? Are you going to share it with us?
Yes, I will show you. Yeah. For the first, to celebrate the first live streaming, we bring some new things to promote. Yeah, so don't miss it. Arno, can you introduce to us?
Of course, yes. So first of all, we have our ozone generator, which helps to improve the quality of the air and make spaces healthier. This is one of the products that we will include in our promotions. And you will get it free of charge if you get any of our nitrogen generators. Or, not only that, if you also get an AC machine, a Blake bleeder, an ATF exchanger or coolant exchanger, you can get one of our ozone generations for free. So remember, buy one of those products that I just said and get one free.
Wow.
You can see the catalog for reference.
It's a big promotion.
Yeah.
Okay, so how about the next one?
The next one, yes. So if you buy any 2 pieces of the above items that I just said, we will give you one disinfectant sprayer.
Wow.
Free of charge. So remember, buy 2 of those products, get one free. Not bad, no?
Yeah, well, good.
So if that's not enough, we're having also a big promotion for our one of our star products, our waste oil drainer. And the promotion goes basically like this. If you buy 10, we will give you 1 piece of this product for free. And for higher series, if you buy 15, we will get you one piece for free. So, Shine, big promotion today.
Yes, of course, especially for the leaf canton fire. Yes, so don't miss it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember that these promotions will only last the time when the Canton Fair is on.
Yes, it. Okay. So next we're going to introduce the product. We will introduce later. I will show you a video.
Yeah, let's watch a video first.
What we're going to introduce later. First.
Here meets our new inflators HJS 711LX and 931B family. HJ 931B family is the new automatic inflator. We have designed the panel sloped for better operating. We know people need to deal with water, so we have built Type E54 water resistant on the inflator. Once the pipe is connected to wheels, the program will self-calculate and measure the tire pressure. The inflators can display both SI and bar, and it can be changed by clicking on the panel. With only one click, our inflators is able to inflating or deflating automatic in few minutes. If there are any issues with the inflator or the tire during operating, the machine will raise alarm to notice operator to avoid further damage or accident. HJS 711LX shares the same system with HJ 931B family. Comparing with both models, HJ 711 need to deflating by hand, otherwise they are not much different.
And Shine. So, what do we got here? Our air inflators.
Yes, here are our star models. I will introduce you one by one. Okay.
Yes, so to make it easier, can you give us a brief introduction of the features of this product?
Yes, no problem. See here, model with a big LED screen, and it's for automatic model. Yes, you can just set the value, pressure value by these two buttons. This for minus, this for plus.
So these blue buttons are for adjust the pressure, basically.
Yes.
Okay.
When you set pressure, just press start button. The machine will work and stop automatically.
Okay, nice. And I have a question. Is this keyboard waterproof?
Yes, of course. It's IP54, water resistance.
Okay.
Yes.
And
we designed a sloped structure for better operating. Yeah, it's easy to operate for this sloped structure.
Okay, and what is this button right here? The yellow button?
The yellow button? See here, it's used to transfer the bar and PSI.
Okay, yes, and I think we got here a red alarm, right? What do we got here, Shine?
This is the alarm. I will show you something.
Okay.
You see the alarm? You know why this problem open?
Okay.
Happen.
So right now we are not inflating any tire?
Yeah, because there is no tire in connect with the machine, so this will alarm.
So the machine will tell us, no, if there's any error?
Yes,
right?
that's right.
Okay, well, seems pretty intelligent.
Yes.
And what else do we got, Shine? Because, well, we can see that these two models are quite different, but these two are quite the same, right? Can you tell us if there's any difference between these two?
Okay, can move
Yeah,
forward?
sure.
Yes. See here. The difference between this model, just the house. See this one with the house, 10-meter house. This model equipped with house wheel.
Okay.
Yeah. the price will be different.
Of course, yes. Yeah.
Just this difference.
So we've been talking about these two. And how about this small guy? Does it have the same features of the other big ones?
Yeah, it has the same features, but this model is half automatic model. Yes. The operator,
Which means?
It means the operator needs to deflate the tail. Deflate by hand, the pressure by hand.
Okay.
Yes.
So basically, we're having a totally automatic inflator, and we're having a semi-automatic inflator where the inflation goes automatically and the deflation goes manually. Is that what you want to mean?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
right.
I understand. And what else, Shine? Are these the only products that we have?
I will show you something more.
Okay, so we're having other models apart from this one.
Yes, we have a big family.
Okay.
See here, okay, we have some more items for your choice.
Yeah.
If your workshop space is not big enough or your budget is not so high, you can choose the wall mount type. It will save the space and the cost.
So if I understand it right, the products have similar functions, but we got different designs for different environments, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, we have another model. This one. Yeah.
Let me see.
It's the portable tire inflator.
Which is quite light, by the way.
It has the same function. It's more convenient.
Yes, of course, portable.
I will show you. You can press this button to start. It proceeds with a short pause, so it will save time to inflate the tire. Yes.
Okay, so faster, right?
Yes. So you can have a lot of choice.
Yeah. Very nice.
Okay. So, dear friend, here is about our inflator. Yes. Do you want? If you want to know more about our product, just contact with our customer service. Okay. Yes. And one more thing, the promotion is waiting. Please keep in mind that the promotion will be only opened during the Canton Fire on land.
Okay. Yes. So limited time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So after the air inflators, are we going to introduce another product today?
Yes. Let's see this one, the nitrogen machine. We will introduce later. Okay.
Shall we watch a video first?
Yes.
Introducing the nitrogen machine WS90FC. Inspired by spacesuit WS90FC has appealed a unique look with a brand new design ever. Our designer has looked back in history, he brings the Egyptian mural in as the drawing on the leather. The leather at back of WS90FC is able to resist moist from damaging the machine. We made our step on the product we created before. The size of LED screen has increased and now it can show real tire pressure. The team also added a new screen to show the detail of inflation or deflation by using clockwise and anti-clockwise symbol animation. Our team had developed a system with 3 different types of nitrogen purity. They are able to be chosen with one valve on the panel under your request. WS90FC can also be used as an air inflator, just need to switch the control valve on the machine. WS90FC has built 2 mufflers in each side to minimize the noise during nitrogen charging. Our team has added an oil-water separation filter and an additional high-precision filter to provide the cleanest air supply. We noticed that people need to work in dark, so we add a LED at the front of WS90FC to provide better user experience. WS90FC has come with an internal sensor which is able to calculate the usage count of molecules and remain the user change it when it needs.
Welcome back, everyone. Hey, Shang.
Yes.
Just introduced, no, in our video this nitrogen inflator, and my first question is, what are the advantages of using a nitrogen inflator?
Yeah. Let me tell you something about the nitrogen. Nitrogen is an inactive gas. It will not be heated, so it won't be expanded.
Okay.
Yes. So if the tire filled with the nitrogen, it has the low rate and won't be explosion after driving a long time on the road.
Okay, so basically safer and
more stable when you drive the car on the road. Yes, so it's better than the air.
Okay.
Yes.
And well, yeah, we can see the design is amazing, right?
It's like a robot.
And look at this screen. It's so big.
Yes, yes. Yeah, let's see here. This is one complete interface. Yes.
So, could you describe us a little bit? What are all these numbers?
See here, here has two values. It's for the air pressure. Yeah. At this side, this is the machine air pressure, tire pressure. And this side is the real tire pressure.
Okay.
So you can know the difference when inflate the tire.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
And we have
some symbol here.
At the left corner, what would you say about these two?
This one is for the vacuum time. Yeah. It will count how many minutes or seconds you vacuum the tire.
Okay.
Yes. And this one, the right one, is for the OPS. OPS means the overpressure. Overpressure system. Yes.
And I see at the right side we have a green symbol here. It's the dynamic animation to show inflation or deflation, right? So basically, if it goes inflation, if it's inflating, it goes anti-clockwise, and deflation, it will go clockwise, right? So, simple to use, practical, big screen.
Yeah. And it's very simple to use.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, so let's look at the product a little bit more detail. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there are 3 buttons here with 3 letters, A, B, and C. And Shine.
Yeah, these 3 buttons refers to the nitrogen purity. A refers to 99% purity. Yes. B refers to 95% purity. C refers to 92% purity.
Okay.
And do you know how to adjust the purity? Yeah, by this button. Yeah,
Okay.
You can switch here.
From A, B, C.
Hear the noise? You know why it sound.
Yeah, why does it make this sound just now?
This is a very clever machine. It can sleep for a long time. You do not use it.
So it
Do
goes.
you know how to wake up it?
It goes to sleeping mode when you're not really using it, right?
Yes.
So it saves energy.
So let's wake up it. Press this set button for a second.
Okay.
A few seconds.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
It
then
will
we
wake
got the
up.
machine working again. And apart from the digital part of the machine,
Yes.
I can see that we have 2 levers here, so they allow a proper movement of the machine. And if I'm not mistaken, Shine, this would be the silencers, right?
Yeah, that's right. It will distract the noisy.
And how about if we work in the dark?
Yeah, we think about this. Let me show you. Here has a light. Yeah, it's more convenient for the worker. Yeah, when they work in dark air environment.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, it's very considerable.
And I can see a toolbar here.
Yes, you
Right.
can put some small things when you operating. Yeah, you can put the small tools, screws at here.
Well, yeah, pretty useful.
Okay.
And I can see there's one hose reel here. So how about, because we only have one hose reel,
Yeah.
how about we want to inflate 2 tires at a time or 4 tires at a time? I think we've only got one here.
Not enough, you mean?
Might not be enough. Yeah.
Okay, we have some more choice, but for this model, just one hose reel. You can see the screen. Yeah. We have some more other models. This model with 2 hose reel. Yes. This model with 4 hose reel.
Okay, so customer can basically choose, no, how many hose reel do they want by choosing the different models of the machine.
But if you equip one with more hose reel, the price will be high. So
Definitely, I understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can choose it by your budget.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So let me show you something for the machine.
Yeah.
Back side. Can you help me or not?
Of course.
Okay.
Yep.
Just turn around.
Gonna turn it. As you can see,
Yeah.
it's not difficult
Yes, it's,
to maneuver, right?
there are 4 wheels, so you can move it very easily.
Yeah. So, what do we have here? Yeah, it seems that we got here a pair of tanks, and if I'm not mistaken, they are filled with carbon powder and a molecular sieve each, right? Could you talk a little bit about the design as well?
And this is the Egyptian leather design. It will make this machine the machine looking more beautiful. Yes.
Yes. Perfect. So, how about this feature?
Oh, this feature is the secondary feature. So this machine has a double feature, and it can better to
maneuver. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And I can see we have some numbers here, right?
Oh, yes. This is the time calculator. Yeah, this is used to calculate the machine usage time. Then you know, see here, it shows 52, which means the machine used 52 hours already.
Okay, so it's basically the time of usage, right?
Yes.
Perfect. And yeah, the customer might be wondering what are these two, no? So basically these are the carbon tanks, which are filled with carbon powder and a molecular sieve each. And you might not see it clearly here, but they have a pretty interesting ancient Egyptian design for the customer needs.
Yeah, it also can protect the tank to be damaged
Okay.
with this leather.
Okay, so it
It's
also
very
fulfills
considerable
Yeah.
and beautiful.
Okay.
Okay, the machine sleep again. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're done introducing this.
So, Arnold, would you tell our audience what promotion is going to have for this model, for this machine?
Of course. So buy one piece of any model of this machine, and we will give you one piece of disinfection sprayer, or, as we said before, one piece of the ozone generator.
Wow. Wow.
And as we said, if you buy 15 pieces of any model of this machine, we could give you one of these pieces for free.
Wow. That's
Not
a
bad, huh?
big promotion. And just valid on the online Canton Fair. So
Yes.
don't miss it.
Okay, and if you're interested, you're welcome to chat with our colleagues.
Yes. Okay, just leave message to our service people. Okay. So next, we are going to introduce some other products.
Yes,
Okay.
now we're going for our third products, the oil guns and the pumps.
Okay.
Let's play a video.
All right.
Introducing to our superior preset digital meter oil control valve. The nozzle was made by one-piece aluminium with special process. Our team has created an anti-leaking decompression system on the nozzle. With clicking top of nozzle, the oil and pressure will release to a normal level. In that case, the oil will drop and the nozzle will be clean. Our nozzle has an omnidirectional pole and rotating connection system, which means it is easy to use under any situation. The nozzle has a high sensitive stepping motor. With this motor, the nozzle is able to inject the oil precisely under your request. We also design a series air-operated oil pump and grease pump. They have different sizes for choice, and those pump are able to cover all kinds of different oil tank.
So, what do you think about the video? Here, I'm going to show you now our all control gun families. And allow me to show you the first of them. This would be the oil control gun, right? The second one we're going to show you is the digital meter oil control gun.
Yes.
And our superstar product, the preset digital meter oil control gun. So basically they have the same function, inject and dispense oil.
So now, can you tell me the difference between these three guns?
Of course. Could you pass me the oil? Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Oops, this one.
Perfect. So this is basically our oil control gun, and basically use it for all dispensing control system and for all filling quantity using the computer system.
Okay, so it cannot count the number. It has to use together with other machine with the computer system.
Exactly. So this would be basically the most simple model that we have, right?
Okay.
And then
this is the
second
one.
The second one. No. We are going from the simple one to the most sophisticated ones. This would be our digital meter all control gun, which has indeed a LCD meter screen, but it does not have a preset function. So basically, you can inject the oil quantity by looking at the digital display that we have here.
Just press the start. Yeah, you can see the number at here.
Yeah. Okay. I see. And
this one,
as we said, our most sophisticated product, the preset digital meter all control gun, which has both a digital meter LCD screen and a preset function. So the valve basically will work automatically and stop once the injecting process is completed.
Okay, I'm clear now. So we have the basic model without the screen and without the preset function.
Yep.
And then we have a medium class model with the screen, but without preset function. And that one is the high class one.
Which both has the screen and the preset function.
Okay.
Yes, so also for our all control guns, we have more specifications to tell you. So first of all, this all control gun has a flow rate from 1 liter to 25 liters per minute.
Okay, I see.
The second specification is it has a precision of plus minus 0.3%, which is actually higher than the industrial standard at plus minus 0.5%.
Wow, so it's higher than the industry standard.
Exactly.
Oh, wonderful.
And third, it functions with a maximum pressure at 70 bar and a minimum pressure at 3 bar.
Okay, it makes sense.
And the fourth specification of this product is that it basically comes with an inlet connection of fit industry standard oil hose reel.
Okay.
Fifth, it does have a flexible hose, rigid top
See
tube.
here, this one is the flexible hose.
No, you can choose between a flexible hose reel or choose the rigid one, no? Out of your choice, yeah?
Okay, so after introducing for the 3 lanes, which model you are going to introduce to us?
Which model, are you asking me which one is the most popular one?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. If I had to recommend one, of course, I will introduce our most sophisticated products with the preset digital on the screen, definitely.
Yeah, I know something about this gun. Yeah.
Give us some specifications about it.
Okay, let me show you. Yeah, see here. Here has the anti-leaking button. Yeah. After inject the oil, just press this button. It will anti-leaking.
So
yeah. It's our patent.
Okay.
And the other function is here, this part. See here, it can rotating 360 degrees. Yes.
Okay.
It's much more convenient. You can adjust the angle.
Yes.
Yeah.
So basically, rotating function. We have an anti-leaking
function.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know I'm gonna get.
Okay, everyone, now I would like to introduce you a great wheel alignment. You know that the wheel alignment is very important for any repair shops because it can ensure a great driving experience. It can provide you with the optimal drivability. Besides that, with the alignment of the wheels, it can also ensure a longer tire life as well. So today, I would like to introduce you with our PL-3D-5555U. This is also one of the star products of our company because we know that this product has a very high precision. Before, the customers, they will not believe that this precision can be so high and so good. But after they try these products and compare to the products from the USA or Italy, and they find out that the balance groups alignment, it is really great. Now I would like to move to this wheel alignment and let our engineer, Mr. Fan, to operate on this machine. And then I would like to ask all of you to have a closer look, and we will explain to you. Thank you very much. Now please follow me. 小芬，现在可以操作了，然后每一步都解释给我听。Okay, now please look at on this screen. 每一步介绍。第一步是什么？ So the first step, we would like to start the procedure. 你要不停地说话。Okay, so now let's look at this.
测试目标板是否正常工作。
So the first step is to test whether it is operation. Yeah.
进入程序。
Now it comes into the procedure.
选择车型。
This is a time for you to select the right car models. We have the database here and so many different car models. Try to find the right one. 继续。
找到合适的车型。
So we find the right car models. This one is Audi Q7.
OK， 确认车型。
And confirm. Tap on confirm, and then we comes into the next step. Here we have the original data. This is the factory default data of this car model. Now it comes to the measurement. The first step it is that we have just fixed the steer. Now, please follow every step of our engineer. It is very easy to operate. Now we have to move the car. Please have a closer look. So, okay, here. So now we start to move this vehicle. Follow the move of our engineer. Yeah, so please come here. So, okay, now we have to start that. Move. Okay, so you see that we can operate on this interface. It's very easy to understand with a lot of different figures here. And these numbers are those ones you need to adjust it. All the data you need to adjust it are already displayed here. And the operator, when they operate on this equipment, they will just follow all the instructions which are very clear on this interface. And this also has an automatic tracking system. It can auto track for the cars to go up or down. So now let's see how we are operation. See, our engineer is tapping the button and then we lift the car. Okay, now we would like to show you how we can control on this control console so that the car will move up and down. Very easy. Okay, let's show you once again because this is a very important feature. Okay, now it's time for us to operate that once again. Okay, start. And then press the button. Very easy. See, the car has been lifted to a certain height. Very smoothly, very stable. This is one of the most reliable machines we have in our factory. Okay. When the car lift is moving up, and those cameras are tracking automatically, and they will also move up automatically as well. See, now we are descending. Okay, now we move to the next part. Here, follow the interface. Okay, now look at here. Tap here, and then we come to inspecting the tire pressure. Now we have to test the steer. And also here, the visual 3D wheel alignment. These are all the operation procedures. So when you get this equipment from us, because the interface has already shown you almost all the instructions, so it's very easy to follow. You can save a lot of time on training your people. Okay, now we finish the introduction of this wheel alignment. We would like to see a great partner of this wheel alignment, the lift. Because here we have ultra-thin scissor lift, which is a great partner of wheel alignment. And the feature of this is to ditch this. You don't need to do any change work. So you don't need to do the change work on any ground. So that is very fit for all kinds of different repair shops. So you can fit for the surface, ground, and structure of almost all kinds of structures. So that can fit for different workshops, especially for the mid and end users. Because when they want to do the installation work or the operation work on the ground, that really take much work, right? Especially for those floors that has already been decorated. So now you can have a closer look of this ultra-thin scissor lift. the minimum height is only 200 millimeter. And now we can descend this machine for you to have a closer look. So this height, 200 millimeter, that can meet for almost all kinds of different car models, especially for those ultra low chassis. Okay, so we will wait slowly, see, for this lift to descend to the ground. Okay, see here, the installation on this ground now. This is only 200 millimeter, really ultra thin. The biggest characteristics which can attract a lot of customers is that it is the best partner for the wheel alignment. The reason for that, I will share with you. So first of all, let's see here. Okay, so this is adjustable cover. Okay, so now I would like to ask the engineer to show it for us. Oh, this is the turntable here. Have a closer look. The turntable is to work together with the operation of wheel alignment, and they can reduce the abrasion of the wheels. So, okay, now let's look at on the back or the rear part of the car. So here, okay, we have a side slip. I will ask our engineer to show it to you, the side slip. So this is also work together with the wheel alignment. So we're cooperating with the height of the D40B, so that can ensure high accuracy of our measurement data. So it can really help you to get your customer and win the customer. And that is the best helper to the wheel alignment. And also the best helper in your workshop. Now let's go back to their main characteristics, especially for the customers in the Europes. So we know that safety it is the biggest concern for these customers. For the D40B, it can do a lot of things. So now I would like to ask our engineer to show us the maximum height. Now we strictly control the height, and the maximum height can be 1,700 millimeter. Now let's wait and have a closer look. Okay, the camera will show you the height switch, the height limiter switch, height limiter switch. So, Mr. Fang, could you please show us where is the height limiter switch? So, when this vehicle is lifted to 1,700 millimeter, we will have this height limiter switch to ensure that it will not move up beyond the limit so that we can avoid the damage. Secondly, we also have the descending switch. And then I would like to ask our engineer to show us about the position. And the camera will give you a very clear look of this secondary limiter switch. So just follow our engineer. So this is the one for the secondary descending. And the main function is that when this whole car lift has been lowered to 300 millimeter, we can ensure that the operators can see that whether there are any obstacles that they need to move away necessary. So that is a very important guarantee for safety. Okay, now I would like to ask Mr. Fan to show you how is the magnetic descending function. Okay, here is moving slowly, 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 descending slowly, slowly, slowly. We can see that is quite stable, and the two platforms can move synchronously with each other. So let's pay close attention. When it's 350 millimeters, it will be alarm, automatic alarm. So see, you will hear the alarm. This is the function of the automatic alarming. Okay, we'll just stop like here. And our safety valve is also a must, which has been equipped on every type of our equipment, safety valve. The function of the safety valve is to ensure that after the speed of the descending can be very slow and ensure that all the operators' safety. So when people are working under or beneath this vehicle, we can ensure their safety. This is the safety valve, highly security. So now I would like to show you the optoelectric switch. A lot of people don't know what are they for. So I would like to ask you to show us where is the optoelectric switch. So after the car lifted to a certain height, our engineer will show us. So during the moving up and down, so see here, with the control of the optoelectric, once we find that these two things are not moving synchronously or are not on the same leveling limit, so this one will ensure the safety. So please come here to take a closer look of the optoelectric switch. Yeah, here. Okay, now we would like to give you a demo. This is an infrared sensor. So if you put something as an obstacle and that the sensor could not feel the infrared, see what will happen. Yeah. So you have already had see that very clearly, right? Okay, lastly, there's another very important feature. Let's see the safety lock. So here, this one, yeah. So what is the function of the safety lock? This one, it is also one of the core parts of the safety and security of the whole vehicle. With this one, we can fix or lock the equipment at any position. See how we're operating that. So every equipment have these double teeth jaws. I would like to ask our engineer to show you where are the jaws. So it's here, which can ensure that when our people are operating that, it can ensure a very stable stop and quite reliable. So you don't need to worry about the safety anymore. So this is the introduction of that. Thank you very much for your watching.
D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180 millimeters. It is equipped with abrasion-resistant slip plates for four-wheel alignment. D40B is a CE certificated lift. Let's see some safety points of it. It has safety descending stop and height limit switch. The following are the optional configuration. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for various vehicles. The photoelectric switch can monitor the level of platforms. LED light is available. Rolling jacks is optional. Manual control, pneumatic control, and electric control available. This is the electric rolling jack. Now you can see the manual rolling jack, controlled by a manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. The height of the adjustable lifting tray is 30 to 65 millimeters. Now lift the vehicle with the electric rolling jack. Let us check the 3D wheel alignment. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift. It has high accurate, and it is very stable, and no perform calibration is needed at any time. The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread measurement in a shorter time. Roll the vehicle to complete the compensation quickly to get the measurement data in 2 minutes.
Okay, safety, safety, safety. D40B is definitely the best choice for any mid or large sized of the repair shops. One machine for multiple uses. It can ensure that it's of the inspections and there of the tire changer, all kind of different functions, so the camera can move with us. So for D40B, it can work together with the rolling jack. So now we will move into the rolling jack. So here we have 2 rolling jacks, the secondary rolling jacks, and we will ask our engineer to operate on the rolling jack so we have a more clear understanding. So positioning and then moving up, moving, very convenient. So here, this rolling jack can provide our users with the services of the demounting of the tires. So just follow our engineer. Okay, here, look at here, this is a function of our vehicle, of our rolling jack. Now, moving to the front, let's see here, with the 2 rolling jack, how we work on this equipment. So here, this one is electrical control. And also, on the rear side, we also have one is manual control. I would like to ask our engineer to use the manual control secondary rolling jack, and you will have an idea how it is used. The manually controlled. Here. This manually controlled secondary rolling jack is really quite convenient because they can buy it back and install by themselves. Okay, these are the main functions of D40B. Our D40B has provided with you great platforms and which can be suitable for all types of vehicles and high precision, high safety, and definitely suitable for your workshop. Best choice, don't miss it. Thank you very much for watching. If you really want to learn more about our products, please click on our product list on the left side, and then you can come to talk with our sales representative with a one-to-one chat. Thank you very much. Thank you.
D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180 millimeters. It is equipped with abrasion-resistant slip plates for 4-wheel alignment. D40B is a CE certificated lift. Let's see some safety points of it. It has safety descending stop and height limit switch. The following are the optional configuration. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for various vehicles. The photoelectric switch can monitor the level of platforms. LED light is available. Rolling jacks is optional. Manual control, pneumatic control, and electric control available. This is the electric rolling jack. Now you can see the manual rolling jack, controlled by a manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. The height of the adjustable lifting tray is 30 to 65 millimeters. Now lift the vehicle with the electric rolling jack. Let's check the 3D wheel alignment. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift. It has high accurate, and it is very stable, and no perform calibration is needed at any time. The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread measurement in a shorter time. Roll the vehicle to complete the compensation quickly to get the measurement data in 2 minutes.
bienvenidos a nuestro directo.
Welcome to our live streaming.
Welcome to our live streaming.
Welcome to our live
streaming.
9, 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, new and old friends of Balance Group. Today we are here for the Canton Fair live streaming. My name is Jacqueline, and this is my colleague, Sergio.
Hi everyone, I'm Sergio.
Okay, welcome to come to this Canton Fair live show. Right now we are in the Jiangsu Nantong factory. This is a very big workshop, and today we have so many different products to show you. So Sergio, as we know that the team has really made much efforts for today's live show, and the sales team are quite generous this time. They have prepared for you so many different gifts and promotions. That's quite special, right?
Right. Today we will have 3 hours or so when we introduce you the G series. Here we have the G series, and after that we will introduce you U256 and U579, U573. And if you have any question, remember that you can talk with our staff in one-to-one chat room.
Yes, surely. So just check on your screen. You will find that there's a list on the right side. And then you just go into the instant messenger. If you have any questions or you are interested in any products or want any special promotions, just talk with our sales representatives. So today, what are the first combo we will show everyone?
Yes, our first combo, we are going to start with G22. And we are going to explain you today why G22 is so special, because I think it's very improved a lot of things that we improve with this machine. The first thing that we want to show us is light. This tire changer is special for this kind of large shops that need to change the low profile wheels.
Yes, just like my friend Sergio has just mentioned, G22 is a really amazing machine, and there are a lot of important factors of this machine. So we know that there are so many different tire changes with different assist arms, right?
Yes.
But this one is the right suggestions, and that is the special assist arms.
Yes, this assist arm is very special because it has 3 points here. Like our technician can introduce you, has 3 points that help you to put the wheel inside the ring. And also with this, this is the special arm assistant, and also here we have the other arm that also help you to remove the wheel from the ring.
Yes.
Now our technician is gonna make a demonstration how we can remove and put again the wheel.
好了，请长工演示一下现场。Okay, so everybody can get closer to see that how we can use these 3 pressing points.
Yes, like
and the
you
most
can.
important thing is that it can really protect the ring as well.
Yes, because before, like you say, he doesn't touch anything with his own hands. Only with this help assistant, that is everything is automatically. Like you said, this can go up and can go down, as same as this one. Okay, for example, here when we pass, we can check, we can see how this bar enter inside the wheel for remove it or put it again.
Yes, that is true. And also it has a very special leverless hook. So this one is something that can create a gap between the ring and the bead, so that will not cause any scratch on the ring. Yeah. Okay. 等等，可以给他们看个无翘臂的。对。Okay, so just look at here.
Yes. Now.
See that easy.
It's very easy. Like you see, with this you can save a lot of time and a lot of effort.
it's not just easier work, and it is much more safe as well.
Yes, especially for the operations, and also this can make us to change the wheels very, very fast. Also, I want to introduce the power in gear. Here we have this unit that is inside this new G series. Here the gear is new model,
right?
and very powerful, and
Yes.
with new patent.
Yes, we know that every time we need a very powerful unit to carry with our turntable, right? So here we have a turntable.
Yes.
所以我们可以把那个臂摇一下，看那个 turntable. So that on this turntable we also have an auto scale on that as well. Yeah.
Yes, this turntable is special because cover a very wide range of wheels, from 12-inch until 28. This is may cover the majority of the commercial wheels in the market.
Oh no, I just want to show you that how the turntable is. 镜头可以摇到这边来，给个特写。
Yes.
Okay, so this is a turntable. It
Yes.
is very convenient. 长工可以摇一下。Okay, so see here.
So in this turntable, how you say, has the escalate here from 12 to 28. And this turntable is very easy to use with the pedals here. And also here we can see the gear that before I mentioned. As you say, with this gear we can save 50% of energy. This is also can reduce a lot of money on energy for these countries when the electricity has a high cost, right?
Oh yes, right, because that is a very good design and this is quite powerful as well. Okay, so just like we said that there is an auto scale on the turntable. I would like to tell you that not every turntable will have a scale on that. So when operators or technician guys, they are operating on this turntable, they will see the numbers and this can make their works quite easy. Okay, so let's move back here.
Also, I want
So
to.
there are some other detailed design on that
Another
and make
details.
it very, very special, right? For
Yes.
example, like this pressing shovel.
Yes, this
So-
pressing shovel, when we want to separate the wheel from the rim, we can use this. With this pressing shovel, is very strong. It's 3,000 kilograms strong of pressure. This is make it easier for remove when we want to remove when we want to separate the wheel from the rim.
Yes. So do you know usually how much kilogram can they support? 3,000 kg is really very big,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes,
But how about the usual type we can find in the market?
for sure. Also, I
That
want-
is 2,500 kg, right? So
Yes.
3,000 kg is already much bigger. So we offer you better choices on this machine.
Yes, another function that we want to mention is, for example, about this arm. This arm can move from behind to up.
Yeah,
For
this
ex-
is a tilting arm.
Yes. For example, this is very good because, for example, when we need to work, we don't want to damage the arm. For this reason, this can go down and can go up. Now our technician is gonna show you
对，
how it
然后它
works.
这个是翘倒臂的，也可以给他们展示一下。Okay, so please just look at here. Okay. So how we can move that? Okay. Okay. See here.
You can see, in this way, when this arm is go down, we can work with the wheel, and we are not gonna damage the machine.
Yeah,
In
just
this-
like we have already stressed on, the leveless technology has already create a protection for the rings.
Yes, as you can see that our technician doesn't make a lot of effort to change the wheel.
Yes.
We can save a lot of time and a lot of money because, and also we can omit a lot of accidents that in the garage happen, especially when we need to change the wheels.
Okay, yeah. Now, see, that is really great. So, do we miss any other detailed design in this great machine? So something
also
else
we
we would
miss-
like to show the audiences?
I want to introduce also the design of this is very strong.
Yeah,
and
this one.
This design is very strong. It's very thick, and also when it's very stable. Also, you can put it in the ground, and this is gonna assure you that the machine is not gonna move. So, and it's gonna have very 100% safe.
Yes, and this is a very special trapezoid design that is quite important, and then we can ensure a correct jaw's location as well. And just like we have just shown you that this one can support the 3000 kg, and also the position can be adjustable as well. Okay,
Yes.
so how about this one? This is a tire rolling frame.
Yes.
Is that the standard accessory
This is
for
maybe
this one?
is not a very fancy accessory, but it's very useful.
这个踏板是做什么的？那个
Because,
那
for
个踏板
example, before when we use
Yeah, 我们看看这个踏板。Yes, just look at our engineer who is working on the tire rolling frame.
So, no need to make any effort. Only rolling a little bit is enough just for separate the wheel from the rim.
So do you know that is that a standard accessory for G22?
No, this is not a standard accessory, but it's very useful and also is very convenient.
Yes, it's optional. But today, just for Canton Fair, I would like to let you know that our sales team are so generous. If you order our products, this one, you have the chance to get it for free. This tire rolling frame can offer you as a gift.
Yes.
So do you think that is our only gift for the audience?
No, today also we
Definitely
have
not,
other
right?
promotion, very interesting promotion.
Yes. So what is the next one? Why not just come to this side?
Yes.
Okay. So what is this?
This is the air blaster.
Oh, it's a handheld one.
Yes.
Yeah. So usually the traditional type will have an air booster with a pressure gauge, right?
Yes, this
But
is the
this one-
traditional one.
Yeah, but this time we have one look like the pivotal. Yeah.
Yes. For example, this is much more faster. Before, this is the traditional one,
Yeah,
but
this
also
one is also very quick.
but this is very fast,
well.
especially for this kind of low profile wheels. Okay, and also maybe looks a little bit scary, right? Because it looks
Oh,
like a
yes.
pistol.
So is it safe?
This is very safe because
Yeah,
it has two triangles here. Okay, in these two triangles, so if I just press one, nothing
Ooh,
happens.
yeah.
Or this, nothing happens. If we want to activate the machine, we need to press the two at the same time. And also this is gonna boost the wheel inside and gonna make it instant inflate.
Yes, so remember, we already put a safety design on these products, on this accessory. So only when the two triggers are activated at the same time can start the operation. So this is a great and strong backup for you. So there are three types of using this.
Yes, for example, this we have here, we have the other version.
Yes,
the other
this can
version.
be fixed on this G22 machine. It can be installed here, it's a fixed type. Besides that, you can also use it individually
Yes.
or with this portable
Yes,
roll
this is
cart.
portable car that also you can move because it's portable, the blaster, the air blaster.
Yes, we know that in a busy workshop, sometimes the portable products and equipment can be quite convenient for you as
Yes.
well. Yeah,
So, but
see, now our engineer just show you how to use that in your workshop. So today, if you buy a combo, that means one tire changer and one wheel balancer, you will have a chance to get this for free.
For free.
So why not go to our instant messenger and talk with our sales representatives? And I would like to remind you, first come, first served. How many people can get this?
10 for the 10 first buyers, the 10
Yeah.
first buyers that buy in this combo, the
Yeah.
tire changer and the balancer, they can get the air blaster for free.
Yes, so just remember, if I were you, I will rush to the instant messenger to talk with the sales representatives, and then I will get this product for free. And besides that, our colleague, cute Natasha and Rebecca has also showed you a lot of different promotions as
Yes.
well, right?
Yes.
So you have the chance to get all of that. So
And don't forget that our G22 has 3 years of guarantee and
Yes,
CE
that's amazing.
certification.
Right, 3 years warranty. So that is really great for you and your customers as well, right? That is
Yes.
a great relief.
For sure, because 3 years guarantee, means that we are very sure that our product doesn't have any mistake and you are gonna work with them perfectly and very
Yes,
safe.
that's true. So you know that our company has been set up for around 15 years. And then some sales team
Yes.
said that they have seen the products, exported the products, which has been run for 12 years without any hardware failure, and it's still running quite well.
Yes, we export products to over 180 countries.
Yeah,
this
countries
means
and
in
regions.
Asia, in America, in Europe, in
Yes.
around the world. So this means that we have quite experience about these products and we have very, very high good answer of our clients.
Yes, and this is a great G22 machine. So what are the great partner of Tire Changer?
Yes, this
The
is
wheel
our
balancer, right?
The balancer, yes, the
Okay.
balancer. And here we have
Yes,
G66, that is
Yeah,
our
okay.
new design.
So, okay, so before we move there, and why not just look at the video and learn about these products, and then we will introduce you about the G66 wheel balancer.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So.
Hello guys, after the video, I think you are already quite excited and you can't wait to buy our lovely products, right,
Yes.
Sergio?
Yes.
So, would you like to bring one back home?
For sure, for sure. I will bring all of them because I think it's very high quality and very high efficient products.
Definitely. Yes, G22 is a very efficient and safe design of Tire Changer, and its great partner G66 is amazing and remarkable, well balanced as well. So now we would like to introduce these products to everyone.
Yes.
So first of all, let's see.
Let's
It's
see,
a
for example,
LCD monitor, right?
Yes, the LCD monitor that is very convenient because it's very big, it's very clear, all information that you can check. And also our software has a unique pattern and you can set up in 25 language. This means also you can set up in English, Russian, Spanish, French, and other much more languages. This is make it very, very easy to use. Also, the design that we have here, is very convenient.
Okay, so that is true. So firstly, my colleague Sergio has already shown you that on this LCD monitor, you can read all the operation instructions that very easily. It is very easy to understand the interface. And later we will ask our engineer to show you as well. But before that, this one is 17-inch. We know that in the traditional type, you will not have such clear instructions, right? So for this one, you can read it, and just like my colleague Sergio has said, it supports different languages as well. So now we come to show you the specific operation here.
For example, this has a lot of modes that you can analyze the wheel. And also it's very, very, for example.
So for example, here,
you can see.
We would like to show you how many balance mode we already have. So here, we have the 9 balance mode.
And also here, we need to remember that this is not only for conventional cars, also for motors. We have accessory for analyze the motor. We have later, I will explain you the device that we use for analyze the motor wheel.
Yes, so when you use this machine, you can choose the motor, whether you want the vehicle or you want this motorcycle as well, and 9 balance mode. And also, like in the software, we are optimizing that every year. So that means you can find almost all car models in this machine. So when your technician guys want to use that, it just come inside and find the right model,
Yes.
and you can start the operation. Okay, so what else are very special about this machine?
Okay, another special about machine is, for example, here we have the sensor that tell you exactly, recognize
this is the
exactly
measurement gauge,
the
right?
position inside the wheel. For example, you can see when he move the sensor, this tells you where is the sensor is. So now he recognized the 2 points.
Okay, actually, our engineer has just shown you. 长工可以再演示一下. Okay, so with this, you can measure the 3 numbers here. We can give you the distance, the width, and also the diameter. 还有那边也可以. And all the data are automatically input.
Yes.
Just look at here. The numbers are automatically input. You
Yes.
can save time for manual measurement, and that is much easier. So do you remember that in the old days, the technician guys have to really find a ruler,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And to do that job, that is really not very convenient.
Yes,
but
and
for
sometimes
balance
it's not so precise. I think this machine with these 2 sensors has one here and another behind.
Yes,
It's very precise.
it's high positioning. So that is one thing. Remember, it saves your time. It's precise. And I think most of the customers will think it quite cool.
Yes, and very fast. It's very fast, and even also everything is more or less automatically. So this is not need a very high learning about the wheels. So even everyone with just some instructions can manage the machine.
Okay, so what else are quite good for our machine? I will tell you that today we not just have very generous sales team to give you special promotions, we also have the coolest products. What else?
Here we have the laser. We're going to take the
我们给他看那个激光。
that also our technician is going to introduce you
Okay.
how it works. When we cover the wheel, we can see it's automatically activated.
Yeah, start rotation.
And now pay attention here because our technician find, for example, now is checking this point.
We want to find the imbalance point. So what can find? 可以特写一下这个激光点. Okay, so here, see the laser. We have a laser pointer already point to the imbalancing place here. So if you have the weight, it is very easy for you to stick your weight exactly on the place. And let me check. It also has LED light, right?
Now, for example, in this place also can in this position can tell you what is the weight that we need to use to adjust the wheel.
Yes, just look at our engineer. Right now, we will show you how to do this. Very easy.
And this is very, very convenient because we don't damage the wheel.
Yeah, this is the sticky weight. We know that for some very expensive or high-end cars, use this one is the most right choice.
So as you see, when he put the stick, must be in the middle of the laser light for a good
the laser
adjustment.
pointer. We have the laser pointer to show you the place. We have everything run automatically. It saves a lot of job. And also, it's much easier. You don't need to train your people for a longer time. That really, it is a great friend and partner for any bosses of any garage or any repair workshop. Okay.
Harry, here are many electrodes. And I can see here is a cellulose electrode as well. So do you have any welding machine for cellulose electrode?
Yes, this model, the MA200 CS is stand for cellulose. It can weld with.
Yes, it can work with E7010
and E7018
and also 6010. It's very function, and also it can be worked with 110 and 220 voltage and work with generator. Is it correct?
Perfect.
Okay.
This model is very popular in South American market. You can contact us to get the Spanish video.